I do want to introduce Abbs and David because they're coming on today to share some really cool technology and an application that Abbs has built for video marketing. And I've been fortunate enough to test it over the last several days. I started testing it over the weekend, and it's been thank you, Marco. He said cameraman. I did miss that, so excuse me. Um, I've started testing it over the weekend, and I'm seeing some really amazing results. And so I'm putting together kind of a case study thing with it, anyways. And we'll talk about that in a little bit. But for those of you that don't know who Abbs Ravji is, he's been a developer for many years. I remember buying products from him way back when it was called Bookmark Lovers. It was one of the first syndication apps outside of IFTTT that I ever used for syndicating content and creating Web 2.0 accounts and all that. And since then, he was also the creator of SociSend. A lot of you that have been Mastermind members for quite some time know that I used SociSend heavily several years ago, and now he's got, he's always got really good products. And so usually when he puts something out, I don't even hesitate. I just buy it because I know it's going to be good. So I'm excited to have you guys on today. And Abbs, go ahead and take it away.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Bradley. Great to be here. Thank you for having us on this webinar as well. Okay, so I've got a pretty long presentation to go through, a pretty cool presentation. It's action-packed and it's proper, totally interactive as well. So I've never actually been on a Hangout, so it's kind of new to me. So I'm going to try and take control of the screen. Bradley, is that cool? And
yeah, absolutely.
Okay, fantastic. So I'm going to attempt to take control. And I'm going to go for the entire screen. And if you can just let me know if you can see my screen, please.
Yes.
You can. Okay. I'm in a presentation that says how to rank and dominate Google using video quickly, easily, and fully automated. You can see the PowerPoint presentation.
Yep, I can see your screen.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, so we've got quite a few things to go through, so I'm going to get on with it straight away, and I promise to answer any questions that you have towards the end if we have some time. So please try and keep your questions towards the end. But I do promise you everything that I have in this webinar is probably going to answer all your questions as well. So anyway, let me just go through exactly what you're going to be learning today and why this is actually different. So firstly, I'm going to be teaching and showing you a technique that you can instantly use to tap into page 1 of Google time after time and within minutes so that you can rank fast and make easy money. I'm going to be showing you how you can use video to tap into Google almost instantly and within minutes. I just want to quickly have a check, Bradley. Am I talking too fast or am I okay at my pace at the moment?
No, you seem good to me, and we could always slow the replay down if needed.
Okay, fantastic.
No, you're good, man.
Okay, excellent. Okay, so I'm also going to be showing you how to dominate Google for almost any keyword you set out to target and for any niche. And this is without the need for any backlinks. I'm going to be showing and sharing a 3-step process required to rank and bank each time. Now, these are the exact steps needed to test each keyword so that you don't waste your time, effort, and money when you're actually going after ranking in Google. I'm going to be showing you how to automate the entire thing, saving you hours of time for effortless fast rankings, traffic, and money earning potential. And I believe you're going to absolutely love this part. It's totally hands-free. And I'm going to be sharing and showing you how we and how others are already making money with this system and how you can be in a position to do exactly the same. And that's no joke. So I just want to make sure that you understand why this is different to everything else that you might be doing or to everything else that you might actually be looking into at the moment. So firstly, this doesn't require any backlinks whatsoever. There's no need to create links, wait till the links get indexed or any of that lovely stuff. Of course, if you do add backlinks, then you can expect to get even better results. But the methods that we're going to be sharing and outlining to you today, you don't need to worry about backlinks whatsoever. You don't need to wait days, weeks, or months to see results. Results can be seen almost instantly. Just wait till you see the live proof, the live tests, and the live results that I'm going to be getting in front of you today on this call. Now, this doesn't take hours of your time. You don't need to sit around clicking buttons or doing anything else. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3, set and forget, rank and bank. And I just want to clear up as well that this is not your usual probing or poking technique. I know many of you guys might have heard of probing and poking as well. This is actually about ranking and taking hundreds and thousands of keywords at a time, filtering through those keywords and then being able to rank in Google for hundreds of those keywords really fast, and you're going to be able to rank and filter through hundreds of keywords at a time within literally minutes. And this works in absolutely all niches and with all keyword types. It doesn't matter what niche you're in. It doesn't matter if you're working with local stuff or national stuff. And just wait till you actually see the proof that I have for you, so that I can actually outline this and prove this to you as well. And I just want to confirm as well that absolutely anyone can do this. No technical skills are required, as long as you can work on a PC, as long as you can follow our video tutorials and PDF guides, and go through our step-by-step guides, and you're going to be able to achieve almost exactly what I'm going to be showing you today. Now, of course, results could depend and could vary based on the keywords, and we'll be outlining all this to you throughout this presentation as well. So anyway, why is this important to you right now? So not every single time we look at products, and they're not always going to be important to us, but I just want to outline briefly and very quickly why this and what I'm going to be sharing with you in today's webinar is very important to you right now. So firstly, ranking in Google and being found for your keywords means targeted buyer traffic. Every site, every product, and every service on the internet needs targeted buyer traffic. If you can rank in Google, then you're going to get targeted traffic. If you can get targeted traffic, you're going to get more customers, and if you're getting more customers, then you're going to make more sales. So that's 4 keywords, 4 buzzwords that we've narrowed it down to: rank, traffic, customers, and sales, all by being able to rank in Google. And of course, if you're making sales, then you're putting money into your pocket. And because our system that I'm going to be outlining to you today makes it so easy, you simply can't afford to miss out on what I'm about to share with you. So I just want to go through and make sure that this is actually for you, so that I don't waste your time. So I want to confirm that, you know what, this is actually suitable for absolutely everyone. So from the very novice to the most advanced to the intermediate as well. So if you provide SEO services, if you manage SEO for your own sites and are already SEO savvy, then this is going to be perfect for you. You're going to know exactly how to take this away and get benefits from this system. If you're new to SEO, if you're new to Google rankings and video, and you want to jumpstart your success, then this is going to be absolutely perfect for you as well. And I don't believe it gets any easier and quicker than this. And if you want to promote affiliate offers, CPA offers, or make more sales for your own products, then just wait till you see the proof that we have for you and how this fits in, and you'll understand that this is going to be perfect for you as well. And if you want to deliver massive value to existing clients, then just wait till you see exactly how you can use this to deliver extra value to your existing clients. And if you're looking for easy, quick, and effortless rankings, then you know what, it just doesn't get any easier. And if you're looking for the quickest and most cost-effective way to rank in Google without any backlinks, so that you can start to benefit from free buyer traffic, then this is going to be perfect for you as well. So anyway, guys, we're going to be getting over to the live example shortly, within the next 2 slides. And I just want to explain exactly what we're going to be doing. So on this call, live and in front of you, with all of you guys as my witness, I'm going to be doing the following. I'm going to be taking one keyword for service that's in demand. I'm going to let you have a say in what that keyword is going to be as well. I'm then going to attempt to rank for that Google over 100 times using a variation of that keyword. Now that's 100 plus Google rankings live on this call. And these are going to be keywords that will show Google AdWords, meaning businesses are already paying Google to be found for these terms. And I know it's a big claim, guys, so I want you to stick around till the end to see the results. And I actually forgot to mention something towards the beginning of the webinar. We do have a special bonus for all attendees, and I'm going to be revealing that bonus for you, or to you, towards the end of the webinar as well. So stick around till the end. That the actual bonus that we've got for you, it's a software bonus. It's designed by my team, and it's going to actually allow you to get even more traffic to your videos if you don't already have something like this. So it's not going to cost you anything. You're not going to have to opt in or anything for that. So do stick around till the end just for the bonus as well, because it is really cool. So finally, guys, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going over and I'm going to be making notes of a special and exclusive package that we've put together for you. It's our most powerful and exclusive package yet. It's not available any other way. It's simple, it's easy, and it's designed to get results. And anyone serious about SEO, traffic, or their online business needs this package. And you're going to see why later on. Okay, so I just want to quickly explore some key facts, and I promise you we're going to get on with the interactive webinar any second. Okay, so some key facts, just so that we're on the same page before we get going. So Google is the largest search engine in the world. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and you know what? It's owned by Google as well. And here's a quick stat that I wanted to bring to your attention, and this is taken from Cisco, and I've got a link here for the white paper. So if you actually want to take a link, I can pass that over to you as well, and you can make notes of that towards the end of the webinar. So by 2019, 80% of the world's internet traffic will be video. So you know what, we're in 2016 now. If by 2019, 80% of the traffic is going to be video, and you're not already using video, then you know what, you really need to start moving your focus towards video. So in other words, guys, video is more important to your business today than it ever was, and it's only going to get even more important in the future. Okay, so let's get rolling. I'm going to ask you guys to help me and pick a keyword, and then I'm going to get out the presentation, and we're going to actually go over to our browser, and we're going to go through some tools as well. So I've actually shortlisted a number of keywords for our test today, and I've actually shortlisted them to save us time, but this can actually go through, you know, all sorts of keywords. But for this demo, we're going to be going through one of these keywords. So I've shortlisted the following keywords: laptop repair, 24-hour plumber, window cleaning, computer repair, carpet cleaning, TV repair, and boiler repair. What I'm going to do, I'm going to actually get out this presentation, and I'm going to let you guys pick these after going to the Google Keyword Planner. So I'm over at the Google Keyword Planner. Bradley, can you just confirm that you can see me? I'm on my browser. I'm on
Yes,
Google.
sir. Yep, we can see you.
And I'm coming through nice and clearly as well. Everything's cool.
Everything
Excellent.
looks good.
Excellent. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually paste these inside of the Google Keyword Planner, and I'm going to click on Get Search Volume, and we're going to get these listed by the highest to the lowest monthly searches, just so that you get an understanding of what kind of monthly searches each one have, and what kind of competition. And obviously this is AdWord competition. How many businesses are actually paying Google to actually get found for these keywords using the AdWords placements. So anyway, if you can just give me some comments or some notes on what keyword you'd like me to go through for today's test, and then we can get going. Now I've got so much to go through, so you can choose any one of these keywords, guys. So Bradley, if you can help me out and let me know if we've got any notes coming on in the chat with what keyword users would like me to go after today.
Yeah, there's a little bit of a delay with Hangout, so it'll take a few seconds for somebody to come through. You've got a few there. Do you you could just run with whatever example you want, I think. So.
Well, I'm totally happy with anyone choosing whatever they want. We can go with carpet cleaning, which has the highest monthly searches and it has the highest competition, or we can go with computer repair. You know, some users might be feeling, you know what, let's try and get up there for computer repair. It's whatever, you know what, you guys want me to go for, I'm totally happy with. If we're not getting any comments through, then I can go with, you know what, the highest one. That's totally fine.
Yeah, looks like they're going with carpet in Abbs.
Carpet cleaning.
Yeah, we got Kendrick saying carpet. Okay, yeah, let's go with that.
Carpet cleaning. Okay, brilliant. Okay, what I'm going to do now then, guys, is I'm going to be using the keyword carpet cleaning for our test for today. I'm going to open up one of my tools. It's a software. It's called the Video Keyword Prospector. I'm not going to actually explain exactly what I'm doing right this precise moment, because I'm going to be coming back to the tool and showing you that in a moment. Oops. Okay, so we just want carpet cleaning, don't we? Okay. Okay, so carpet cleaning, let me just make sure I spelled it right, it looks good. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually select my local modifiers. So I've actually selected my local modifiers. I'm going to add some videos inside of this tool. Now, I know it might not be making sense what I'm actually doing at the moment, guys. I promise you it's all going to come together very shortly. I'm going to be posting 500 videos. And I'm going to be posting them to the people and blogs category, and I'm going to click on start. And what we're doing is the software is actually uploading videos that I've already created. Now the software allows you to create videos and all sorts as well. I'm going to take you through absolutely everything very, very shortly, but at the moment we're uploading videos to our accounts. I've selected 29 accounts, and as you can see, it's been uploaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually close out of this now, and I'm going to go back over to the presentation, and I'm going to continue with the presentation, and then we can come back over to the software, and what we can do is we can actually flip from the presentation to the software and see exactly how everything comes together. So okay, right then, so What I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be sharing a 3-step process that's required for fast rankings and targeted traffic. Now, this was the actual 3-step process that I promised to share with you right at the beginning. So what you need to do is you need to use these 3 steps that I'm going to be outlining to you now to test any keyword. Okay, so step 1, you identify your keywords and create a quick 20 to 60-second video for them. Now, it doesn't matter about the quality of these videos, and you're going to understand why it doesn't matter about the quality any second. Now, you can use your favorite keyword research tool. You can use the Google Keyword Planner. You can use HQ Suggest, Niche Genetics. You can use Longtail Keyword Pro, or whatever keyword you already have to find these keywords. And then you're going to go ahead and create a quick 20 to 60-second video, and it doesn't matter about the actual quality. Step 2, you're then going to go ahead and upload the video to YouTube. You're going to add the keyword as the title. You're going to add the keyword as the description and as the tag, and then you're going to publish that video. So in other words, you're going to be optimizing that video for those keywords that you're finding in step 1. Now, step 3, you're then going to go ahead and you're going to search Google's first few pages for your keyword, and you're going to see if your YouTube video is ranking. Videos usually rank within 10 minutes. Now, if any of you guys are actually aware of the probing or the poking technique, then I'm sure you guys are thinking, well, hang on, Abbs, this sounds very, very familiar. Well, don't worry, I promise you it's going to get very, very different very shortly. Okay, so anyway, videos can usually be found inside of Google within 10 minutes. Now, step 4, I know I said it was a 3-step process, but it's an optional step. The step 4 is, and that's search YouTube for your keyword as well. Now, YouTube is the 2nd largest search engine in the world, and you can see if your video ranks in YouTube as well. What you do then is, by following these steps, you will then know what keywords are easy to rank for and what ones are not. It allows you to focus your time and your efforts on keywords that you know that you can rank for even before setting out to create a quality video. You then go ahead and delete those videos and upload quality ones for the keywords that you ranked for. So let me just quickly summarize that real quick. What you do is you first of all find keywords around your main keyword. You then create quick videos for those keywords. It doesn't matter about the quality. You then upload those videos optimized for those keywords, and then search Google and YouTube to see if those videos ranked. You then go ahead and delete all of the videos, and for the keywords that ranked, you then go ahead and create a quality video. Now, the reason we do it this way is because there's going to be so many keywords that you're not going to be able to rank for really quickly without any effort or without any backlinks with the technique that I'm going to be showing you. Now, of course, we show you how to rank for them much more competitive keywords as well, but what this way and what this method allows you to do is rank and focus your efforts on keywords that you know that you're going to rank for, regardless of you actually putting out a quality video or not. But you're going to go ahead and put a quality video out because you're going to go for conversions. So anyway, let's have a quick check on the tool. Before we have a check on the tool, can I ask you guys that you follow the 3-step process? If you follow exactly what I'm saying, if you understand the 3-step process that I made notes of in the presentation, then give me a yes in the chat box, please. Oops, I totally forgot. We've got a slight lag on the actual Hangouts, haven't we? So
Yeah. There's about a 2-minute delay or so, or maybe not that much, maybe 30 seconds, something like that. So.
Oh yeah, okay, it's totally cool. I think it's fairly clear. What I'm going to do, I'm going to actually be passing a PDF guide to Bradley as well, so Bradley can hopefully email it out to you, just in case you haven't followed. So if you haven't followed along and you haven't grasped the technique entirely, then I promise you know what, I'm going to be outlining some more very shortly, and I'm going to pass over a guide to Bradley so that he can email them out to you. So anyway, let's have a quick check on the tool, and let me show you exactly what the tool's doing. So at the moment, we've already uploaded, 15 videos in 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay, and every single one of these videos have been uploaded successfully. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually go over to another tab called Track Rankings. And inside of here, I'm going to choose the group that I'm posting to, and I'm going to click on Filter. And what's happening here is the software is uploading videos to YouTube. It's then bringing in them videos into the rank tracker, and the rank tracker is then going ahead and checking them rankings. And it checks the rankings on Google, and it checks the rankings on YouTube. It's basically doing this entire step here for you, apart from deleting the videos. Now, you delete the videos at the end after you've downloaded your reports. But let me just show you exactly what's happening. So we've uploaded 16 videos. I'll click on Filter, and as you can see, it's saying 18. So every time a video is uploaded you know, in real time, the videos come in here to get the videos ranked, and you can see video URLs, you can see the keyword that they're going for, and you can see the rank as well. So let me just talk you through these rank tracks. So this says not found, retry in 70 seconds. So you've actually got some settings inside of here that allow you to tell the software when you wanted to check rankings, if it wasn't found, and when do you want to actually check, or if you want to retry rankings, then you can do as well. You can check whatever location you want as well. So I'm actually choosing UK. My proxies are actually all over the world, or I believe in the USA. So there might be some discrepancies, but you know what, I'm sure we can get past them as well. So anyway, let me show you what's happening. So we've got 9 videos uploaded, 7 videos of them have been found in Google, and 7 of those videos have been found in YouTube as well. Other videos are actually waiting to get tracked. So if I click on filter here, as you can see, it's starting to search Google. So the ones in amber, the video wasn't found and it's going to retry again. The ones in blue is actually looking and searching for that video. And the ones in green are actually telling us, well, you know what, the videos have actually already been found. And we can confirm this by actually clicking on here and checking our rankings. Now again, just let me mention one more time, guys, that there is going to be slight discrepancies because of the proxy location and because of my IP, but I'm sure we'll be able to find some. So anyway, here's some Google AdWords towards the top, 4 Google AdWords towards the top. I'm going to scroll down, there's 2 Google AdWords towards the bottom as well. I'm going to continue to scroll down, and as you can see here, okay, the software tells us, oops, here, that it's on page 2, number 10, and the actual account that we're posting to is Things I Like. And if you have a look here, it says here as well, Things I Like, and we're on carpet cleaning Tadley, and as you can see, it's a very competitive market. We've got businesses that are actually paying paying Google to be found for these as well, and this is actually page 2. If I click on this, guys, there's something that I want to show you here as well. I'm going to put this on pause, but as you can see, it's a 14-second video. There's no quality. I'll actually mute this and I'll play this. There's no quality on this video whatsoever. It's a slideshow type of video. Actually, I think there might only be 2 slides in this. So there you go, 2 slides, dissolving from one image to the next image. But check this out. I've got 1 subscriber on this channel. If I go over to this channel, as you can see, this is the only video that I have in this channel as well. So what I'm trying to explain here is that you don't need to even have any authority on your YouTube channels to actually get such results. Anyway, let's go ahead and let's have a look at a few more rankings, and then I can continue with the presentation. So anyway, this one here is saying we're on page 1, number 8. So let's have a look at this one here as well. Okay, so here we are. We're on page 1, number 8, 5 minutes ago, uploaded by Major. And if I go over to here, as you can see, this is our account, Major. I'll actually click on this as well. Okay, so on this one, we don't have any Google AdWords towards the top, but towards the bottom, guys, as you can see, we do have Google AdWords. So you know what? This is basically telling you it's going to be very easy for you to build a bunch of keywords that can rank for videos. Sorry, you can actually rank videos for keywords that businesses are already paying Google for, and you're going to be in a position to really take their business as well. Now, if I go over to this video, I just want to show you one more time. So anyway, this one's a 21-second video, and as you can see, it's just got some, you know, silly stuff on here because these videos are going to be totally deleted any second, or after this presentation. If I go over, and you can see I've got no subscribers. If I go over to the account, I don't even have an avatar in this one, to be honest, guys. But as you can see, we've only got 2 videos. One was uploaded 5 minutes ago. Another one was uploaded 5 minutes ago as well. One of them is 15 seconds long, and one of them is 21 seconds long, and we've only subscribed to 1 account. So anyway, no authority needed, and you can get results like this as well. Okay, I can click on filter. Just have a look at this section here. 19 videos uploaded, 7 found in Google, 8 found in YouTube. I'll click on filter. We're already on 12 videos ranking inside of Google, which is absolutely brilliant. Okay, I'll go over to another video as well. So we'll go on this one, this time Andrea Choate, page 2, number 9. Okay, just check some more. So we've got a snack pack here of Google. We've got an AdWords towards the top as well, and we've got the AdWords towards the bottom as well. Now let's go over to page 2, and this is where our video is, guys. 7 minutes ago, uploaded by Andrea Choate. Whatever the name is. This is just a made-up name here, guys. And if I go over to the account as well, guys, this is another account. It's got 0 subscribers. As you can see, a quick 14-second video again. And again, this is probably just a 2 image screenshot. It is, yeah. Okay, anyway, so these are live results, live and in front of you as well. If you guys want to try these and see if you can find us ranking for these as well, go for it. What you can do is add this keyword inside of your let me just add it inside of here. You can actually add this keyword inside of your browser. It needs to be google.co.uk, guys, and you can see if our video is ranking for that as well. In fact, you can do it for some other keywords as well. Let me just pass you over this keyword as well. Again, guys, there might be some slight discrepancies because of your location, because of my location, and because of the actual proxies as well, but I'm certain you'll be able to see the kind of results that we're seeing as well if you go over to google.co.uk. Okay, fantastic stuff. So what I'm going to do, I'm sure you can see exactly what's happening here, guys. I'm sure you can see exactly how cool we've already managed to see some rankings on this software. I promise to take you around the software shortly, but I just want to confirm it's been 10 minutes and 52 seconds. We've already uploaded 35 videos out of 500, and as you can see going up and down here, all of them are successful, and we've already found some rankings. So I'm going to actually minimize the software. I'm going to get back on with the presentation, guys. I don't want to take too much of your time because I've got so much more to show you, and I promised you that this is going to be so much more different to probing and poking, and this at the moment might only seem as if it's probing and poking to you at the moment. So let me get on with the presentation and show you exactly what else we have for you today. So anyway, I want to show you some results from our beta testers. We've actually had this out of beta for about 5 months now, and I'm going to be showing you some up-to-date screenshots as well, guys. They're actually all mixed together. So anyway, this was one of our beta testers, tougher competitive niche, ranking 4 videos on page 1, and they're talking about how cool this tool is. Here's another one, Gen Ray's test results for pool services, 150 keywords plus 3 modifiers, which means there's a total of 450 keywords uploaded in less than 35 minutes, and they're making notes saying, I love this tool, Abbs. And as you can see here, the #1 listing right under the snack pack listing above Yelp. And here's another one, 7 multiple listings on the first page of Google. Like we've been saying, this tool is too dangerous for the masses. And here's a quadruple listing. There's so many results, guys. Here's one that's been up for 3 days, and I know you probably, I know many of you guys might have some questions. Well, do the rankings last? Do the rankings maintain their rankings? Well, you know what? I promise to come through all of this and go through all of this with you throughout this presentation as well. I actually cover all this, so if you hang on to your questions, I promise you much of it will be covered throughout the presentation. So here's another one, but this time it's actually showing you Google video results. We just wanted to show you, you know what? It doesn't only affect Google natural results, but also video results as well. And what you might see from Google video results and Google image results now as well is, you know what, Google actually monetizes those results as well. So anyway, here's a keyword, guys. Now, I don't want you to focus on the keyword and say, well, you know what, Abbs, the keyword doesn't have any monthly searches associated with it. What I'm trying to show you here, and the reason I've got 3 screenshots here, is to show you how quick the rankings happened, how quick Google picked up on these videos. And these are accounts that have no subscribers. These are accounts that have no authority, have no playlists, have no videos on them. Okay, so have a look. 1 minute ago, page 1 on the first page of Google for 2 keywords, 1 minute, #1 in 2 minutes, guys. Sorry, page 1, #1 in 2 minutes, page 1, #1 in 1 minute for 2 videos. So there's something special between Google and YouTube, and I'll talk about this in a couple of slides as well. So anyway, here's some other results, guys. These are non-local. So here's one, new weight loss pill. This was uploaded 14 minutes ago, sorry, and this was page #4. Now, I know you might be thinking, well, hang on, Abbs, all of the action's happening on page 1. You know what, why are we going to be happy with a page 4 result? Well, you know what, when I come over to the rest of the presentation, you'll understand how you can push these results higher. You'll understand, you know what, I've actually got many more tools to show you, and you'll understand how everything fits in. But you know what, we actually show you, we teach you, we give you the tools to push these results even higher as well. So anyway, this is page #4 in 14 minutes for a long tail keyword. Here's another one, best Google Analytics plugin for WordPress, and this is page #2 in 2 minutes. Here's one, best e-commerce WordPress plugin, and this is page #2, and that was in 6 minutes. Okay, here's another one, funny Easter memes, and this was actually towards Easter time, guys, and this was page #2 in 4 minutes. Here's another one, best Twitter plugin for WordPress, 7 minutes ago, and that's on page #2 as well. Computer part finder, 5 minutes ago on page #2. Now check this out, guys, 58 seconds to get to page #2, right underneath 4 Google ad slots, 4 Google ad positions, and this is for injury lawyer and the city name after it. So when I talk about the Google and YouTube relationship, I actually frequently say, and I'll frequently talk about the love relationship, and the reason I say this, guys, is because you know what, you find YouTube videos having so much way with Google that, you know what, no other site, no other URL actually has this kind of leeway with Google. And to understand it, I bring you back to the key facts slide that I actually brought to your attention, where Google owns YouTube. So to understand Google, Google is actually a search engine. They have robots. They use their resources to go out there and spider the net to find all these URLs and put them into their index. And they use lots of resources for this. Now, if you try and understand, well, you know what, Google owns YouTube. So why is Google going to spend its resources to go out there and crawl YouTube videos? Instead, when we add videos to YouTube, it's almost as if it's instantly added into the Google index. Now, I don't have proof for this, but these screenshots are trying to actually, prove that, my theory is somewhat very close to actually having this. So I can't see Google going out there to actually crawl these. Instead, I can see Google automatically getting these into their index as soon as videos have actually been uploaded into YouTube, even on channels and accounts that have no subscribers and have no authority. So anyway, 50 seconds to page number 2 underneath 4 results. Underneath 4 Google AdWords, which is for keywords that businesses are paying for. Okay, so let's have another quick check on the tool, guys. So I did promise you that I'm going to try and get over 100 Google rankings, and I tell you what, guys, I do normally get many more than that, but I just wanted to show you exactly how simple and easy a system and software like this is. So we've done 56 uploads out of 516 minutes, so it's super fast, guys, and let's just quickly have a look at the rankings as well. So at the moment, we've got 57 videos inside of the rank tracker. 27 of those videos are ranking inside of Google, and 46 are ranking in YouTube. Let's have a look at a few more, guys. Okay, so this one down here, it's saying page number 2, number 9. I'm going all the way to the bottom just so that it's a bit random. So here's the very first Google AdWord. We've got some Google local maps in here as well. We've got Yelp in here. As you can see, we've got Yelp in here as well. And we've got Google AdWords towards the bottom as well. Some more AdWords on page 2 and some more AdWords towards the bottom. And here we go, guys. 5 minutes ago, towards the bottom of page 2, uploaded by My Ones. And I just want to confirm that is the one, My Ones. And if we go over to this, guys, what you'll see is a 14-second video again, zero subscribers. If we go over to My Ones, we've got all these videos uploaded 12 minutes ago, 9 minutes ago, 7 minutes ago, and 5 minutes ago, and that's all the videos that I've been uploading right on this presentation. So anyway, you can see clearly exactly how simple the software makes it for us. And I'll actually show you some more stuff as well. The software actually tells you how many competing sites you have in Google. The software actually tells you when you download the reports if there's other videos ranking inside of Google as well. If there are, what position those videos are ranking for as well. It is really sophisticated, and I promise to take you around the software as well. Okay, I would probably ask you questions at this point as well, just to make sure we're all on the same page, and if there was anything that wasn't clear to you at the moment, but you know what, because of the lag with Google Hangouts, I'm going to be trying to pass that, hoping when you see the replay as well, you will be able to pick up on everything on this as well. So I promise to take you around the software very shortly. Let's just get back onto the presentation, because I've got some more things to go through. I've got some total new tools to go through as well, and I don't want to waste your time, guys. So anyway, you might be thinking, what can you do with these videos? When you can rank for hundreds and even thousands of videos, what could you actually do with these videos? So I'm going to show you what some of our current users are doing. I'm going to give you some more ideas on what you can do with these videos, and I promise you, you're going to find a way to put these videos to use in your daily marketing campaigns. So anyway, being able to rank in Google gives you an endless number of possibilities. Okay, so some of our providers, so we had one of our users, they actually provided a report and they sold the report for $300, and they sold the report to Michael. Michael is now a user of video is actually one of our members, but when he wasn't one of our members, he actually took the report and he sold it on for $7,500. Well, sorry, he didn't sell it on, but he used it to generate up to $7,500. So anyway, Michael is actually a service provider himself. He already had customers, and he knew exactly how to put this report to use. Okay, and you can also, here's another one of our users. This was in April. This is Josen. He earned $1,500 by providing this service to existing clients, and he also gets paid for each lead. So let me just quickly read a real small script out from here. I approached him, who is his client, with my report. He invested in a batch of videos to the tune of $1,500 and will be paying $25 per lead for the next 30 days. After that, the price goes up to $50 per lead if they choose to continue receiving my leads. And as you can see, he's very excited, and he's passing on his excitement in our group. Now, if you actually want to rank for Amazon affiliate or CPA offers and send even more targeted traffic so that you can make even more money to your affiliate offers, then just have a look and see exactly what David did. David, within hours of uploading videos to YouTube, traffic was being sent to his affiliate offers, and have a look at this update here. $80 in commission from a quick CPA test campaign. Now, this was a test campaign he made for our users, and just by using the test campaign, he made $80 from that. Now, here's David again. David's very big on CPA, by the way. David's one of our coaches. He's on this call with us as well, and I'm going to let him take you through lots of stuff as well. But let me just show you exactly what David wrote in our Facebook group. So I'd just like to add a little encouragement here. We've been running a campaign on a certain product which has only has an EPC, which is earning per click of 43 cents, and here's our results. So they've got 210 clicks, 10 sales, 4.8 conversion rate, and the earnings is $800, and the EPC is actually $3.81. As soon as David posted this in the group, as you can see, here's me, Abbs Ravji. I came on and I said, David, is this from video traffic? And David come around and said, let's put it this way. Without the video traffic, it simply would not work. 24 hours later, David come along and said, well, you know what? We've got $960 in there now. Just a little update. Another day, another dollar. So you know what? Conversions are fantastic using the system that we outlined to you as well. Okay, you can also use the videos to make money from the YouTube monetization program from YouTube itself as well. So you upload videos, the videos rank in Google and YouTube, and then you let YouTube monetize the videos, and you rinse and repeat it, and you know what, you earn money with the YouTube monetization program. You can also build an army of videos that rank in Google pointing to your website. So if you want to know how you can put these videos to use for your own websites, for your existing websites, then this is going to be perfect for you. It's a simple and effective way to send targeted traffic, increase authority and rankings. So this is your website here. These are your posts on your website. You're going to go ahead, you're going to create videos for each post. You're going to then go ahead, for each post, you're then going to go ahead and upload those videos to YouTube. The video is going to rank in Google and YouTube, and then you go ahead and you leave a comment on your videos. Now, we're not talking about the description section, we're actually talking about the comment section, and from the comment section, those comments links are actually do follow links. Now, that's going to be do follow links from videos that are ranking on page 1 of Google. So you're going to have a very nice high ranking properties, high authority properties, sending you do follow links to your current and existing posts on your website as well. Okay, so the possibilities are endless, and being able to rank in Google gives you an endless number of possibilities. You can, if you work with clients, guys, you can boost your client retention rate. You can provide one new ranking video for your existing clients each and every single month. We actually show you how to do this. You can use it for reputation management. If you have some bad results in the search engines for your name, for your business, for a client's business, then you can go ahead and you can flood the search results with videos, and there's so much more you can do with this as well. So anyway, let me check on the tool. Let me just check what we have. Okay, let me check on the tool, and let me take you around the tool, and then I promise you I'm going to take you around something totally different and totally unique as well. So anyway, I've gone pretty fast with today's webinar, and I do apologize if I have been fairly fast, but I promise you, you know what, I'll be coming back and forth to this as much as you want. So anyway, we've got 84 videos uploaded in 23 minutes, and ranking inside of Google. I'm not going to check any more rankings. We've checked quite a few rankings with you already, but let me just show you what we've got here. So we've got 85 videos uploaded in Google. Found in Google are 40, found in YouTube are 70. So I'm not going to go ahead and actually go over the rankings again, because we've already gone over quite a few of them, guys, and it is fairly accurate. Instead, let me show you exactly what's happening with this software. Okay, so we have 3 tabs with this software. We have a Manage Accounts tab. This is where we have our YouTube accounts. I'm actually posting to this group here. As you can see, I've checked all my logins and everything here as well. Inside of here, you have view reports, you can import accounts, export accounts, and do all sorts. These are all YouTube accounts. You can assign proxies to every single YouTube account as well. So you can have multiple accounts working inside of the software, all working with their own sessions, with their own cookies and everything as well. Okay, inside of here, let me take you through the steps. So with the steps, you have an area where you can add keywords. You can add your keywords one per line, or you can have just the one keyword, and you can opt to use local modifiers. Local modifiers are states and cities. So as you can see, we've got states here that come with the software, and inside of every state, you've got multiple local cities inside of that state. Now, I've actually added my own countries in here. So I've got UK cities, and I've added all of my own countries in all of my own cities inside of here. I've got UK counties added in here as well. I've actually got London boroughs added in here as well. You can import and you can add your own cities and your own countries and your own modifiers. It's entirely up to you. We show you exactly how to do this as well. You can work with long tail keywords. I'll be showing you how to do this in a moment as well. You can add suffixes and prefixes, and you can add spin syntax, and you can add all sorts of video descriptions and short codes in here as well. With step 2, you can actually upload, you can add your own videos and use them, or you can have the software create videos for you. You can actually search for videos as well. Now, one thing you might be noticing, guys, is we're actually uploading videos. We're on 90 videos now, and I'm still working around with the software as well. So the software is very, very stable. But I've never actually managed, or I've never actually tested searching for images while I'm uploading. So I'm not going to be doing that now. But yes, you can search for images in Flickr, Pixabay, public domain pictures, OpenClipper, and more files. And the videos are actually created with this software here are not cool videos. They're not videos that are there for you to keep up on your YouTube accounts. These are videos used to go out and hunt down so we actually call this process hunting, to go out there and hunt down and filter through hundreds and thousands of keywords to find those easy to rank for keywords, and then you're going to go and delete these, and then you're going to use your proper good quality videos to upload for those keywords that rank. Okay, so there's so much you can do with this section here as well, and of course you can upload videos to whatever category you want. You can have delays and everything in here as well. Okay, so we're 92 videos now. Let me take you around the settings area here. So inside of the settings, we've actually got 2 areas: capture settings and Google rank tracking settings. I'm not going to take you over the capture settings because I've got my own details in there, but we actually support 2 capture, death by capture, and decapture, and you also have the option to have the software prompt you with manual capture should you wish as well. So anyway, let's have a look at the settings. So when the videos are uploaded, do you want the software to automatically check the rankings for the videos in Google, which I've checked on yes. So when the videos get uploaded, the videos get checked. I'll come back over to this check video title ranking in a moment. Okay, so how long to wait before checking the ranking? So once the videos are uploaded onto YouTube, how long do you want the software to wait before it goes out there to check the rankings? So I've put down 120 seconds, which is 2 minutes. The number of Google pages to check, so if it's not found on the first page, do you want the software to check page 2, and do you want it to check page 3 and page 4? If you do, just tell it here. The delay between queries for each pages, so there's some extra modifications and extra delays you can put in there as well if you want. And if videos weren't found in Google on that first attempt, then do you want the software to check again? If you do want it to check again, then how many times to check rankings if not found, and the delay you want it to wait when it goes to reattempt to check them rankings as well. You've got some other settings here as well, guys, which we actually go through in the video tutorials, and whether you want to add your keywords before whether you want to add your local modifiers before or after your actual keyword. So anyway, it's really cool. It's really straightforward. You can choose your Google location. No matter whereabouts you are in the globe, you're going to be able to use this to track your local rankings. These are proxies for the Google Rank Tracker. So these are proxies that I'm using to track the Google rankings. However, inside of here, these are proxies that I'm using. They're actually exactly the same proxies, but these ones here are assigned with the actual accounts, whereas these are actually whereas these ones here, they're not assigned whatsoever. So anyway, let's just take a look at the rank tracking, and then I'll come back to this towards the end just to make sure that we've made our goal, because I've got some more tools that I want to show you as well. So anyway, we've got 99 videos uploaded in Google. We've got 49 videos found in Google. Sorry, we've got 99 videos uploaded to YouTube. 49 of those videos are found in Google, and found in YouTube we've got 88 videos. So anyway, let me just show you some more things before we get going. So I'm going to download this report real quick just to show you the kind of reports the software gives us. So I'm going to go over to my desktop, I'm going to go over to the Google report, and I want to show you something. So from here, it tells us what account it was actually uploaded to. It tells us the title that was used. It tells us the keyword that was used as well, because the keyword might be different to the title, especially if you're making use of the suffixes and prefixes and spin syntax. And this is the whole reason why inside of the settings area you can actually check to track the title of the video, because in step 1 you might be using suffixes and prefixes and spin syntax, and your titles might be different to what your keywords are. So anyway, you got the URLs, you got the post date as well, but let me just show you this section here. So this section here tells you how many sites are actually competing for this keyword. So if I go over to Google here and have a look at this one here. So it tells us we've got 28,700 results. So that's basically 28,700 index pages of Google. That's what Google is showing us in their index results. And that's exactly what this is showing us here as well, which is absolutely cool. The other section here where it says other videos ranking. So you see this one here where it says 1, and then in brackets it says 25. So that's showing us that there's one video that's ranking for this keyword inside of Google, and it's actually ranking on position 25. And sometimes you get multiple videos ranking. If you do get multiple videos ranking, you'll actually get multiple videos. It'll actually tell you down here. We don't have an example of this here though, unfortunately. But yeah, it actually shows you that as well, which is really, really cool. And it gives you some insights to the SERPs and to the actual keywords and results, unlike other tools can. So anyway, guys, this is the video keyword prospector. This is what you'd be using, first of all, inside of our suite of tools to find those easy to rank for keywords. And after you've used this, then you'd be actually downloading keywords that ranked, and you'd be deleting all the videos, and then you'd download the keywords that ranked, and then you'd go over and start with phase 2. So I'm going to take you over and show you phase 2. Bradley, if you're there, can you just confirm that I'm good to go ahead with phase 2? And
yeah, everything looks good, man. No pressing questions, so please proceed.
Fantastic. Okay, so anyway, I promised that this was going to be very different to your Google probing and poking techniques, and what you've seen so far, you might be feeling, well, you know what, Abbs, you haven't fulfilled on your promise. So let me see what I can do for you. So I want to show you another tool, guys. Another tool that you're going to get with this suite, or with this package and with this technique, we are calling it the YouTube Management Suite. Now this software here, it allows you to upload videos, it allows you to add thumbnails to videos, it allows you to add geo coordinates to videos as well. It allows you to create playlists, it allows you to edit playlists, it allows you to upload videos to a playlist as well. It also allows you to edit and optimize videos that you've already uploaded to your YouTube accounts. It allows you to change video data, it allows you to change thumbnails, it allows you to perform live streaming, it allows you to comment on videos, and it allows you to perform group posting, channel postings, and multiple account postings as well. So anyway, I want to show you this software, and I'm sure you guys want to see this in action as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually open this up. Okay, so I'm going to go over to the YouTube Management Suite, and I'm going to open this up, guys. And I really hope it doesn't update, because I'm sure I did actually work with it today. Okay, brilliant. So I'm on the latest version. So anyway, it is auto update, guys, so you always know that you're going to be on the latest version. So from here, the very first thing you might see, well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to actually put this tool and this tool side by side. Okay, and when you're looking at these, you might be thinking, hang on, Abbs, these look exactly the same. Well, I'll tell you what, guys, I promise you they're very, very different. However, they look exactly the same, or they look very, very similar for a simple reason. Because when you come and learn one of our tools, we want to be sure that you don't feel, you feel at home straight away when you start working with other tools of ours as well. So anyway, this is the YouTube Management Suite. It's nothing like it's nothing like the Video Keyword Prospector, which I was just showing you, other than the way it looks. Okay, so anyway, let me show you exactly what you can do with this. You can manage accounts exactly like we were doing at the moment, and what you'll notice here, guys, is this is actually my money channel in here, Abbs Rav. So this is perfect to use with your money channel. Let me show you edit videos first and show you what we can do from here. So from here, I'm going to click on Get Videos, and what's happening now is the software has downloaded 152 videos from my channel, and what you can see down here is you can see the title of the video, you can see a description, you can see if there's any tags and location, if there's any geo tags, you can see the thumbnail as well, and you can see if it's unlisted, public or private. You can actually click on this as well, and you can optimize these videos. And what you can do, you can actually edit titles here, you can edit descriptions here, you can add tags. Now when I say add tags, you can actually perform tags research as well. So let me click on SEO and click on search. What the software is doing now is actually going ahead and searching for the keyword SEO. It's finding the top ranking videos for that keyword. It's then going ahead and scraping all of the tags from those videos. It then cross-references those tags, finds out exactly how many times they've been used and how many times amongst those top ranking videos are being used, and then it orders them here in the most popular used keywords towards the top. So your most important ones are probably going to be towards the top. Now it isn't always going to be the case, or we might not always think it's the case, but you know what, with YouTube, and when it comes to YouTube videos, then these have come to be the most popular keywords when we take into account the top ranking videos. And then what you can do is you can actually go ahead and you can pick them. Okay, and you can click on save selected, and they get added inside of here. Then you can go ahead, save, and you can upload the video. You can change the status, you can change thumbnails, you can add geolocation. So let me show you how the geolocation works. We're going to be streamlining this so it's much more easy and everything's done with the software. But at the moment, you click this button here, you add in your location. So I'll go 90210, for example. Oops. Yeah, 90210, and you get the latitude and you get the longitude, and you can add that latitude and longitude inside of here, and the software will go ahead and geotag that video for you. Now it's really cool, it's really straightforward as well, but let me show you exactly why it's so cool. So as you can see, first of all, this has no description on there. We can go to this video, guys. I want to show you that this isn't an error of the software. Okay, so here you go. I've got no description on here. Many times I will upload videos. Oops, I'm on the wrong one. Okay, many times I will upload videos to my account and have them unlisted. Totally unlisted. Okay, so as you can go, I'm going up and down here, and you'll see loads of my videos on here are unlisted. Loads of them have zero description, and you know what, this is the kind of tool you'd be using to optimize these kind of videos. But let me just show you exactly why this is actually a really cool tool, or a really good feature to use. So one of the methods that we actually teach you is how to rank and rent. So you can rank for videos, you can rank for keywords, you're ranking videos for keywords, whatever your keywords are, and then you can go ahead and you can rent those videos to your clients or to potential clients. And when you do that, you don't go ahead and you upload videos to their accounts, you upload videos to your account. So what you can do is you can actually upload videos to your account. Once you find a client and the client says, well, you know what, we want you to have our video URL, or sorry, we want you to have our website URL in the description, this is when you'd go ahead, you'd add the video URL here, you add the URL here, you scroll down, you add the URL, you add the URL, you make the changes, you check what ones you want to update by doing them here, and then you'd go ahead and you'd update all of them at the one time. So it really saves you lots and lots of time. You can add comments to your videos, you can add videos to a playlist as well. So if you've already uploaded videos to your account and you're thinking, oh no, I've got about 30 videos that I want to add to a playlist, find the videos, find the videos, check the videos, and then you can go ahead and you can add the videos to a playlist as well. So anyway, this works with all of your YouTube accounts. So no matter how many accounts you have in here, you can work with them all. It is really, really cool, and it allows you to actually search for videos as well. So if you had a certain video about, let's say, keyword research, I'll just put in keyword here, you can click on get videos, and it'll only find videos that have keyword, that's all about keyword research. So they might have it in the tags, or you might have it inside of the title. So as you can see, we've got 14 videos this time that are all about keyword research. Okay, so anyway, this is one area. You can download videos to a CSV file, and there's so much more you can do here as well. You can go to next pages and go to previous pages as well. So anyway, I don't want to bore you with this. There's so much you can do with this as well, guys, but there's so much more we can do with the software as well. So let me just show you other things we can do here as well. So anyway, on this, we've got group post, channel post, single post, and playlist. Let me talk you through the playlist section first. So with the playlist section, let me get my account here. So I've selected my account, and now I can actually see all the playlists in my account. I can go ahead and I can pull all the videos inside of this playlist. As you can see, we've got 10 videos inside of this playlist. What I can do now is I can go ahead and I can move the positions of these playlists, so of the videos inside of this playlist. Now what you'll notice here, I don't know if you can see clearly because the videos clearly aren't very clear. But some of these videos aren't even mine. Some of the videos are mine, and what I'm doing here is I'm actually leveraging the authority of popular users and mixing and creating a playlist. So when somebody does view this video and think, oh yeah, very cool, then you know what, the next thing they're going to watch is my video, and they're going to think, oh, okay, I've just come from our authority video, this looks interesting, and it's going to add, and that authority is going to, you know, pass over to me as well. So anyway, you can reposition videos and everything inside of your playlist. You can create playlists, you can do your tags research, you can add your descriptions and your titles, you can make the status of them unlisted, private and public as well. You can remove playlists, you can import playlists, you can edit playlists as well. So this is my keyword research playlist. As you can see, all of the details inside of here. I don't actually have any tags inside of here either. So anyway, there's so much you can do with this, guys. It is really, really cool and sophisticated as well. So anyway, a single post, guys. This is where you can actually choose your account. You can choose your group. You can choose your account that you want to post to. If you want to choose and work and post to a playlist, you can actually choose your playlist here as well. You can choose what category you want to post to. You can do your tags research, add your descriptions and everything here as well, guys. But what I want to show you is exactly how easy this can be for making multiple posts. So anyway, let me show you this section here. So this is when you want to post multiple videos to the same channel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually add videos. The very first thing I'm going to do is add videos, the videos that I want to add to this. Now I need to find these videos, guys, so give me 1 second while I find these videos. Okay, so I think it was in here. Oh, I've got so many folders in here. Okay, so let's just add these 3 videos to start with. So we've added these videos, and we've got a placeholder for each video now. We can go into the videos and we can add our descriptions. I'm going to take you through some global settings in a minute as well and show you exactly how fancy we can get with this. But let me just show you exactly how we can add thumbnails as well. So I'll go over to the poster again, and I've got a thumbnails folder in here as well. Okay, so there's 3 thumbnails as well, and the software shows you what the thumbnails are as well, so it's really, really cool. Now what you can do is you can go on each video, you can add your titles, you can add your descriptions. As long as you want your descriptions, you can have your line entries and whatnot. You can have your comments, you can choose your latitude, longitude tags, and really optimize your videos as well. Alternatively, what I like to do is I like to go over to the global settings. I like to add keywords 1 per line, or add keywords which are going to be titles with spin syntax. You can add your tags as well. Have hundreds of tags and have the software randomly add tags to videos if you're doing a run to upload multiple videos in the same niche. You can have multiple descriptions with spin syntax as well. You add your latitude, longitude as well, and this supports spin syntax as well, guys, which is really, really cool. So you could actually have something like this. You could have your latitude, and then you can have your longitude here. And just give you an example. So you're basically adding multiple videos covering multiple areas or the same type of location. So you could spin it like this. Oops, I'm doing it wrong, and Okay, so anyway, just to give you an example, you could spin all and each character on this, and the software allows you to do this. It really is very, very cool. So anyway, this is how you can work with this. You choose your account, you choose your minimum and maximum delay, however you want to whatever kind of delays you want to work with, how many videos to upload, whether you want to rename the videos after the actual keywords and titles that you're looking to upload them for. And group posting, guys, is almost identical as the channel post, but the difference here is we'll actually choose a group to post to. So when I go over to manage accounts, you can actually see my groups here. So live events here, this is my group for live events. The group's name is live events, and I've got a bunch of accounts inside of here. So if I was to post to this live events group, which is 17 accounts, then what would happen is, let's say for example I had 17 videos, it would go ahead and post 1 video to each account, as opposed to posting each video to the same channel. I hope that makes sense. But yeah, it works exactly the same as a channel post, but it gives you the opportunity to post to multiple accounts as opposed to just the same channel. Okay, now let me show you one more thing inside of this software, guys. Now this is for live events. Now I promise you that you can actually do live events as well. Now you might be thinking, hang on, Abbs, this looks exactly like the post videos tab, and it does. And again, guys, for the same reason, because it's very, very similar. So you've got group events, you've got channel events, you've got single events, and you've got manage events. I'll come back over to manage events in a moment. Let me just talk you through the single events. A single event is when you want to create one event and you want to stream to it. A channel event is when you want to create multiple events on the same channel, and a group event is when you want to create multiple events for multiple channels. So let me just show you how to do this. Again, you can add videos, you can add thumbnails, exactly how we've done inside of here. But what I'm going to do here this time is I'm going to show you how to do it manually, and how to import events as well. So if I want to add, let's say 3 events, so I'll go on here and I'll say, okay, give me 3 events, and I'll click on save. It's putting 3 placeholders for the events for me. I can go in inside of each one, I can add the thumbnail, I can add the video, I can add all the descriptions, make it public, I can schedule the date that I want the event to go live on, which is totally cool as well. Alternatively, I can add the videos from here as well. So the videos will be added inside of here automatically. I can add the thumbnails as well. So let me just give you a quick example of this one more time. So there you go, thumbnails have been added as well, and I can go ahead and I can actually go ahead and upload these videos. I'm not going to upload them. If you want me to upload them, I can upload them. We can actually stream to multiple events as well, and I think in one of our previous webinars I actually streamed to 2 events at the same time. I've got videos where I'm streaming to, I think, 6 videos at the same time, and it is totally easy to stream, but I don't want to waste your time. If you want me, if you want us to see how the software works when streaming, then I'm totally happy to do it towards the end of the video, or towards the end of the webinar. So just give me a quick prompt and I'll be happy to do that. So anyway, another way you can do work with this as well, guys, is you can import events. So I've actually got a CSV file here. Once I can find it, give me 2 moments. Okay, so there you go. I've got a CSV file here. I can move to the side and side from here as well. So what this is here, this is actually telling me that, well, I've actually told the software to import with titles, with descriptions, with thumbnails, with videos, with dates as well. And I've told them what to make it public, private, or what not to. And I can go ahead and I can actually create these events as well. Well, you know what we'll do? We'll actually go ahead and create these events. So number of events to create, we'll create 6 events. We're going to create them to a live events group, and I'm going to click on, we'll do it on people and blogs category. Because what you can do, guys, is you can actually create events first, and you never ever have to stream to them if you don't want to, because events can sometimes rank without ever having videos on them as well. They act basically the exact same way as a video. So anyway, guys, what you can see from here is we're uploading events and we're creating events. Now, sometimes events can be super quick to create. It depends on the size of your actual thumbnail as well, and it depends on how fast your proxies are as well. One thing to keep in mind, guys, is I'm actually working with these YouTube accounts, and at the same time I'm working with these YouTube accounts here as well. And by the way, guys, we're on 153 uploads and it's only been 46 minutes. Let's have a quick look to see if we've made our target. Okay, so we're on 83 ranking videos in Google. I'm sure we're going to blast past our target, guys. Now, the ones in grey here means the videos weren't found in Google. We retried, they weren't found, and then we exhausted the attempts that we've added inside of the settings here, and we can actually go ahead and check them manually ourselves. So anyway, I'm actually uploading videos now, and at the same time I'm creating events as well. So oops, where are we? Okay, so as you can see, we've got events, 3 of 6 events created. So let's give it a few more moments for the events to actually get created, and I'll show you exactly how we can find those events. Now, guys, I've actually got another tool to show you as well. And I know the webinar is a little bit longer than usual, and I do apologize. And I do try my best to actually be interactive with you to make sure that we're all on the same page and you do follow along as well. So if I am going a little bit fast, again, I apologize, guys, but I promise you I've got another tool to show you as well. So so do stick around, because we've got some really cool things. So anyway, 5 of 6 has been uploaded. It's been 1 minute and 44 seconds. Again, guys, it does depend on the actual speed of everything. So anyway, 6 of 6 uploaded. Fantastic. What I can do now is I can go over to manage events. Okay, I can go over and I can choose the live events, and when I click and when I choose the live events here, what I can do here as well is I can go over and click on all. Okay, and when I click on all, I can see all of the events here. So I actually got this one here. As you can see from here, guys, I actually created this event on the 17th of July, and then I created this one today on the 28th of July. So I already had an event inside of here, and you can see both of the events here. Now, you can stream to both. Okay, you can only stream to one event in any one channel at a time. However, you can stream to multiple channels at the same time. So I could stream to this event, stream to this event, stream to this event, stream to this event if I wanted to as well. I can actually minimize all these as well so I can see them as well. But anyway, this is where you see all the events, and this is where you'd actually stream to the events as well. So you go to start streaming and it will start streaming for us, which is absolutely brilliant. It is really straightforward, guys, and I promise you it's as simple as streaming, as simple it's been for me to show you around the software as well. It really is that easy, and you know what, like I said, if you want to see me do it, I can show you towards the end as well. So anyway, this is where you'd stream, and you can see individual accounts as well if you wanted to. But obviously, because we posted to a group, I wanted to see all the streams to a group, and that's where we can actually set it from here as well. So anyway, this is the YouTube Management Suite. The software allows you to post videos, upload videos, geotag videos, add thumbnails to videos, add comments to videos. You work with global settings and all sorts. You know what? You can play with playlists and reposition stuff. You can optimize existing videos that you've already got on your accounts or on your channels. You can create events. Oh, let me just show you one of these events as well. I didn't actually show you an event. So I'll go over to my event here. And as you can see, this is the event. This is an account, and this is the thumbnail. And if I go over to another event as well, I can show you. Maybe we'll see one of the car ones. Okay, so here's another event here as well, guys. As you can see, we've got a thumbnail as well. And you know what, guys? We've actually got a thumbnail tool as well, which I'm not going to be showing you today, but we actually show you how to create thumbnails and what tools to use. We actually provide you with absolutely everything. But you know what? There's so much that I need to show you that I'm not going to be able to show you that part today. So anyway, this is the YouTube Management Suite, guys. Okay, so I've got more things to show you as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get on straight with our presentation so I don't bore you. In fact, what I'm going to do, I'm going to exit out the YouTube Management Suite and let's go on with this. So we've got one more tool that I want to show you as well, guys. Well, in fact, I've got loads of other tools that I'd love to show you, but I can't show you because of time restraints. But anyway, one of them is called the Tube Engager. Now, this software allows you to build channel and video authority. It allows you to increase engagement and better your rankings for your videos. Okay, you can comment on videos, you can like other people's videos, you can subscribe to channels as well. Now, the reason we allow you to do this and the reason we built a tool like this, guys, is because of the way internal links inside of YouTube work. And those internal links, when you actually comment on videos and everything, guys, without actually leaving a link back, you automatically get a do follow link back to your channel, builds up the channel authority, and your channel is giving link flow juice and do follow juice to your videos that you add on them as well. If it doesn't make a lot of sense, then don't worry, I promise everything does come together when you do in our training. You can also increase views for your own videos. You can build do follow links, as mentioned. You can syndicate videos with other people, so other people's within the actual group that are using the Tube Engager, you can actually go ahead and have them watch your videos, have them like your videos, have them comment on your videos, and all sorts as well. And you can also syndicate your own videos. I'll show you how to do this in a moment as well. You can reply to comments. Instead of just commenting on videos, you can actually go ahead and reply to certain comments as well. You can scrape videos. You can get comments. And you can actually get comments to your own video, you can get likes to your own videos, and there's so much more as well. So anyway, let me take you around this software and show you exactly how to work with this as well. Okay, so this is called the Tube Engager, guys, and this is what you'd be using to build your own channel authority, to boost and increase your rankings, and you know what, you can actually use this for so much more as well. You can use this to leverage traffic and send traffic from other people's videos to your own sites as well. Now, this is something I've only touched on with the training, but you know what, if you do your own little searches on how to make money with YouTube, then you'll understand and see how cool commenting can be as well. So again, guys, this looks fairly close and fairly similar to the Video Keyword Prospector. Again, same reason, because we want you to feel at home with the software straight away. So let me show you what you can do with this software. The very first thing, guys, let me talk you through the scrape URL section. So the scrape URL section, I'm going to type in a keyword SEO. I'm going to choose multiple threads. Okay, I think you can choose about 50. Okay, and I'm going to click on search. What's happening here is the software is actually going ahead and searching YouTube for the keyword or whatever keyword you add here. It's then going to go ahead and bring back the video URL. It's going to bring back the title, the category, the upload time, the views, likes, dislikes, comments, and it even tells you the Moz page authority. Okay, and sometimes it does get stuck on a thread, so let's give it a couple of seconds. If it does get stuck, guys, then I do apologize. I can actually abort it and start over again. Okay, I'm going to cancel that. Okay, so I cancelled it and it got done. I believe it must have been stuck on the PA, so I was very impatient, guys, so I do apologize. But anyway, it does work really nicely, and I'm going to show you this now. So anyway, you get the video title and everything down here. You even get the Moz page authority, guys. Now, what this allows you to do is it allows you to pick potential videos based on what the titles are, if they're very related to your own channels or whatever, how many views are, likes are, dislikes are, comments are, what the page authority is as well. It allows you to pick these videos and find out, and really use them to leverage authority over to your own channel and to your own videos as well. So you basically save these. You can do multiple pages, you can do any keyword you like, you can base your results on page authority if you want, or you can base your results on how many views they've had, or when they were uploaded, or how many comments they've had. It's entirely up to you. You might find a video and say, well, hang on, this has got loads of views, but you know what, it's only got a few comments, let me go ahead and comment on this. Or you might find a video and say, hang on, this has got a 55 page authority, or it's got a 65 page authority. By me leaving a comment on here allows me to leverage that authority to my own YouTube channel, and we actually teach you all this as well. So this is one area, and you'd actually save this to a file, guys, and I've actually got a file. Let's save it over. Okay, you can save it to a file, and what happens is when you save it over, it only let me just, right, it's taking over. Let's just open with Notepad. Okay, so what I've done, you save these to a file. When you save these to a file, guys, then what happens, it only saves over the URL. You then use those URLs inside of either the like, subscribe, and comment tab, or the replying tab. Now, the replying tab is for when you're replying to videos. So let me just show you, when you're replying to comments. So let me show you exactly how this works. So I'm going to click on load URLs. I'm going to load these URLs here. Okay, so as you can see, guys, the URLs have actually loaded properly. And we did have more URLs than what the file was showing me, and that's because it's picking up an old Notepad file, which I apologize about, but the software's picked it up here. So anyway, I'm going to add a quick thing here. You can choose your accounts that you want to work with as usual, guys. I'm going to click on Start. Okay, and what happens is the software loads in a new tab or in a new screen, and it's going to get all of the comments that are on this page or on this video. And as you can see, it says total 82 comments. You can scroll down here, you can look for comments to reply to. Alternatively, let's just say, for example, you had 2 accounts. You commented on it, and then you wanted to go and reply to your own comment, and your name was Mark Richmond. Okay, so you can actually search for Mark. I'll actually search just for Mark and then see what happens. Okay, so we've got Mark Richmond there. I'll click on this, I'll add my reply, and I'll click on next, and I can go ahead and I can start commenting on these. Now, let's just say, for example, you didn't know what these videos were actually about, and you didn't want to leave a spammy comment on there. So you have a video player here as well. On here, you can click on play, you can watch the video, you can see what the video... Sorry about that. You can see what the video is about, you can fast forward, go ahead and see what it's about, and then come ahead and leave a real nice, respectable comment on this video. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually click on X and cross out of it, because that's not what I want to do. So this is one tab where you can actually reply to comments, and you can go ahead on this tab and you can comment on videos. Let me just show you what you can do on here. On this tab, you can comment on videos, you can like videos, and you can subscribe to channels. It's really cool, it's really straightforward, guys, and it allows you to build that authority. It allows you to play an active role on YouTube with your accounts. It builds the engagement on YouTube as well. Your accounts look much more natural, and of course, the whole internal linking and the way the do follow linking flows and the authority flows inside of YouTube, it really allows you to leverage all the areas. Now with this, you can perform it on groups, group comments and likes and subscribers, or channels and singles. And obviously the difference between this is when it's a single, then you're only adding the one URL and you're going to comment on the one URL, or you're going to like the one URL, or you're going to subscribe to the one channel. When it's a channel, then you're going to add multiple URLs, and your one channel is going to go and like all of them URLs, or subscribe or comment. When it's a group, you can add multiple URLs, and each one of those accounts inside of the group is going to go ahead and like one, and then it's going to change account and it's going to go and like the other one, and so forth. So it really is cool, really straightforward as well. Now, one of the real cool things about this, guys, is our syndication feature, which is this section here. And as you can see from here, these are my videos, okay, and from here we can actually go ahead and have a look at some statistics. So if I click on refresh here, okay, as you can see, it tells me here that we've got a total number of likes now is 54, the total number of comments is 17, and the total number of views is 8,425. Now this is one of my videos. I don't know which one it is. Oops, okay, this is for my Platform Bomber account. So I've got a couple of YouTube channels, to be honest with you guys. It's a fairly old video though, and I don't really use this channel too much. But anyway, I've added these in here so that other people in our Video Marketing Blitz system can actually come along to the Earn Credits tab. They can click on Pull Videos. My video will show up on here, and it will tell them if I want a view to my video, if I want a like, a comment, or subscribe. Sometimes it only pulls one, sometimes it pulls much more. It really depends on who's pulling videos at the same time as well, because this is linked in with our SocialVid system as well, which works with this. So anyway, it tells you how many. What a great way to show an example on here. If it doesn't work on this, I'll actually pull it up from. Okay, what I'll do, I'll actually be more specific and I'll say views. Okay, brilliant. So now it's actually picking up all videos that require views, and my video will come up in here as well. And users will click on my video. So this is my video here, guys. You can play the video. If it requires a comment, you can comment on the video. You can like the video as well. And in return, you're going to be earning credits, which you can see mine towards the top. And my videos will show here, and other people will, or other users in the system will come along and like, subscribe, and whatever to them as well. Now, if it sounds a little bit confusing, I promise you it's not as confusing as I've made it sound. Sometimes I can make things sound much more confusing than they are. So anyway, let me show you this other section as well. Syndicate own videos. Now this is a really cool part. What you'll notice inside of manage accounts, I'm actually the owner of loads and loads of YouTube accounts. Now I can use all of these YouTube accounts, and I've got another group here, guys. Okay, and then I've got more groups inside of the video keyword ranker. So anyway, I can use, and you can share groups and everything as well. So anyway, I can use all of them accounts to my advantage, to my own videos. So what I can do is I can actually choose one of the accounts. So from here, I can choose whichever one I want. So Harley Booth, and I can go ahead and I can open up this video. It doesn't open up, but it opens up inside of the browser. And from here, I can play the video, I can like the video, I can comment on the video, I can subscribe to the channel, and if there's text in here, as you can see, I can spin the text as well and add different text in here if I've added the text myself. So if I show you edit post, you can add your own comments, but on this one I've only got the one comment in here. You can actually set how many likes you want on this video, how many per day, the max comments on this video, how many per day, and all sorts as well. You can actually set what the view duration should be as well. So anyway, this allows you to use your own YouTube accounts to like on videos. So even if you had videos of your clients, you can add them inside of here and increase your engagement for your videos. So anyway, guys, this is the YouTube Engager, and the only setting that you need to add inside of here, guys, is you're going to need a free API key from Moz, so that you can actually go ahead and get the page authority. It is a free API key. We show you how to get it, and we've got video tutorials on exactly how you can set it up as well. So anyway, this is the Tube Engager. The other software here is the Video Keyword Prospector. This is the one we started off with. We're on 211 videos uploaded in 1 hour and 59 minutes. And going up and down here, guys, as you can see, every single one of these has been uploaded successfully, which is absolutely amazing. Oops, okay, we've got one that wasn't uploaded because the proxy failed. But if you have a look up and down here, where we've got things I like, you're going to probably see many more uploaded videos to that, because it was probably a temporary error with the proxy. So anyway, let's go over to the rank tracker and see exactly how we're getting on. So there you go, guys, 116 videos ranking in Google. We've reached our target. I'm very happy. And I've also shown you around 2 other softwares at the same time, and you know what, we're still looking at, we're still uploading, we're still rank tracking, and you know what, we can actually go ahead and verify some of these rankings later on, should you wish to go ahead and verify them with me as well. Okay, but anyway, just to let you know, we've met our target, which is brilliant. So let me get back on with the presentation. I've got a few more things to get on with, and I promise you it's not going to be very long now. Oops. All right, let me just go over a few slides with you guys. Okay, so we've already had a look at the Tube Engager now. So I just want to show you some of our current customers and the kind of results our current customers are having with this as well. So this is Sam Dean, and Sam's making a note saying that this thing works. Wow, does this thing work? Obviously, he's using his own keyword to go ahead and perform these runs with, and he's got 510 videos uploaded in Google, 442 ranking in, sorry, upload to YouTube, and 442 ranking in Google. Now, many of you might be having a question on, do these videos maintain their rankings, and how does it all come together with keeping the videos up? So have a look at Tariq Aslam. I'll actually read it out to you guys. So it's saying Video Keyword Ranker is proving to be a massive tool. Here are some of my stats. So on April the 7th, the total videos posted to a single niche was 999 videos spread over 21 accounts in one go. Ranking status on April the 7th, so the same day, 804 videos out of 999 videos found in Google, and 596 of those videos were on page 1 of Google, without any backlinks or anything like that, guys. Then you got 3 days later, you got only 81 videos found in Google, but on page 1 you got 59 videos. So that's like over, like, you know, a massive drop there, guys. But let's have a look at 3 days later. You're starting to see some recovery. Okay, found in Google 198 videos, on page 1 128 videos. Fast forward one more day, found in Google 562 videos, and found on page 1 378. So the videos go high. They might take a slight drop, but then they get back up there as well, guys. This isn't going to be the case for every video. And of course, guys, as mentioned, we show you exactly how to bring the Video Keyword Prospector, the YouTube Management Suite, and the Tube Engager together to make sure, you know what, you got unstoppable rankings no matter what keywords you go after. Okay, so here's one from Hamant. 197 videos uploaded in 23 minutes, which was absolutely brilliant. Here's some notes from our existing customers, guys, just to show you exactly how we work with them in our group. We're always adding value. So we've got Sasso saying, you just keep over delivering, Abbas. Hats off to you and David. Thank you very much. You've got Patrick saying, or Paxi saying, you are over delivering, Abbas. A massive thank you to you and your team, my friend. And you got Michael, which I actually showed you in a previous screenshot, who made $7,500 from one of the reports, or $1,500 from one of the reports that he bought for $300, who's now one of our members, saying a shout out to the team at VMB, which is Video Marketing Blitz. Awesome software, great people. Here's another day, some more comments. Thanks, Abbs. That's really generous of you. Superb. This is an awesome addition. Oh wow, that is very generous of you, Abbas. Thanks a lot. And there's so many cool comments our users are leaving for us. Now let me just show you this comment here, guys. This was July the 12th, so it's only this month as well. Now this is from David Espaliette. And I'm going to read this section out here to you. Know that you are deaf. So this is actually a reply to one of to a user in our group, saying, know that you're deaf in the right group to get the info you need to get to page 1, maintain page 1, and then eventually dominate page 1 of Google. That means, yes, we use Video Marketing Blitz in our firm to punish weaker, less fortunate SEOs on a daily basis. Okay, so David is actually, he owns his own SEO firm. He provides services to clients, and he works with Video Marketing Blitz on a daily basis to provide services. Okay, so guys, I will probably ask you a few questions now, and I'm just going to go ahead with the presentation, and I just want to make sure we're all on the same page. So before we continue, I've already explained to you that what the importance of Google is, what the importance of YouTube is, and video is to our businesses. Okay, I've also shown you firsthand how easy it is to test your keywords using a simple 3-step approach. And you've seen how easy our brand new tool, so the Video Keyword Prospector, YouTube Management Suite, and Tube Engager, makes it to dominate all 3, YouTube, Google, and video. Now let me ask you some questions. Okay, I'm not going to actually ask you these questions because I'm really hoping that I already know the answer, and we don't really want to wait the 30 to 1 minute, whatever the lag is. So anyway, do you want to be able to dominate Google and YouTube using video? I assume you do, guys, and that's why you're on this webinar as well. And do you want to be able to filter through hundreds and thousands of keywords, so to find those easy to rank for video keywords that rank within minutes? I'm sure you do, guys. In fact, we show you how to find those hundreds and thousands of keywords, and then we show you how to filter those hundreds and thousands of keywords to find these easy to rank for keywords that don't require links. Okay, and who else is interested in knowing more about our special exclusive offer that we've put together for the Semantic Mastery team? Semantic Mastery's users and their exclusive member subscriber base. So anyway, I'm sure you want to know more, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go through our exclusive offer that we've put for you. So the offer has been put together to cater for all levels of experience, from the very beginner to the more advanced, and we've left absolutely nothing out. So nothing has been left out. And the package and this offer, it consists of 3 core areas. You get the software. I'm going to be outlining exactly what you get in a moment. You get the training, and you also get ongoing coaching, access to case studies, access to a Facebook mastermind group, and a private members only forum. Okay, so let me take you through the software. So you'll get access to the video keyword ranker. Now this is the exact same software that you saw me use. There's not a more powerful version available. The features for this software is you can create unlimited videos using images, audio, and transitions. You can upload videos to multiple YouTube channels and accounts, totally unrestricted. It works multi-threaded Google and YouTube rank tracking support. You can import, export, backup, and test accounts, and it's totally user-friendly. You get advanced proxy management and testing. As you saw a moment ago, guys, we actually had a video that failed to upload because the proxy failed, and the software is going to be intelligent enough to recover from that and use that account again if the proxy starts to work. Okay, it runs whilst minimized, so that you can do absolutely anything you want without having to, dedicate your whole computer just for the software. As you can see, guys, I'm doing a whole presentation in front of you and uploading hundreds and hundreds of videos. It auto optimizes video descriptions, titles, and tags. You can import your own local modifiers for any country and any niche. You can make it totally custom for you, and the longer you work with the software, the more custom it becomes and the more it grows with you as well. You can add your own prefixes and suffixes, something that I haven't unfortunately I haven't been able to demonstrate in front of you today, but I promise you can do this. And you can filter and build reports for videos that rank in both Google and YouTube, and so much more. Okay, so I'm not going to take you around the software at the moment because we'll save that towards the end. And I've already shown you a little glimpse about what we can do, but let's wait until the end for that. So we've actually got more software for you. So you're going to get access to the YouTube Management Suite, and it's the exact same software that you saw me use. There's not a more powerful version of this available. It allows you to upload videos to multiple YouTube channels and accounts, totally unrestricted access. You get to upload videos one at a time or in bulk. So just remember, you can upload them to single channels. You can upload multiple videos to a channel, and you can upload to groups, so multiple channels. You can add thumbnails, you can geotag your videos, you can research popular tags, and you can fully optimize videos. You can create playlists, edit playlists, change video positions and upload to a playlist. You can edit video data, change video statuses from public, unlisted, and private, and you can even download video data to a CSV file as well. It also allows you to create live events. You can stream to multiple events at the same time. You can comment on videos, you can import, export, backup, and test accounts. In fact, you can import accounts from the video keyword prospector into the YouTube Management Suite and to the Tube Engager software, because all of them are working off the same engine that allow you to do this. It also comes with advanced proxy management and testing. It allows you to run it while it's minimized as well, and there's so much more as well. Okay, sorry about this, guys. Okay, and we've got another piece of software as well, which you saw me use. You get access to the Tube Engager. It's the same one you saw me use. There's not a more powerful version available, and it allows you to boost engagement for your videos and your channels, unlike anything else. It allows you to comment and like videos. It allows you to subscribe to channels. It allows you to reply to comments. You can get views, comments, and likes for your own videos. You can boost channel subscribers. You can perform video syndication, so you can have other users in the system comment, like, view, and subscribe to your videos and channels. You can scrape URLs to like, comment, and subscribe. You can track video stats over time. It's multi-threaded. It runs whilst minimized, and there's so much more as well, guys. It really, really is cool. In fact, there's even more software that I haven't been able to show you. You get access to a thumbnail generation software. You're going to be able to create hundreds and thousands of unique thumbnails, quick, easy, and very, very effective. You also get access to 2x keyword research softwares. If you want to see these tools, guys, I'm happy to give you a quick view after the end of the presentation. The tools will allow you to find hundreds and thousands of keywords in any niche for whatever keyword you want or whatever topic it is, and there's so much more still to come. We've got video private blog networks that are still going to come, guys, that are going to help you get after the more competitive keywords. We've got video competition analysis and analytics to come as well, so you're going to know exactly the kind of statistics and the kind of condition your competition is for video. You're going to know exactly how competitive videos are. Your local directory listings and citations are still to come, YouTube analytics software still to come, and so much more. In fact, we're building the most complete video marketing system today. So you're gonna have absolutely everything you need to automate your video marketing, guys. Okay, and you also get training, guys. So as usual, you're going to get training and you're going to get access to video tutorials showing you exactly how to work with the software by myself. But you're also going to get access and you're going to get full coaching from a marketing expert. Now, this is an expert that has already made money with the software. It's somebody who is already an expert in their field. And the training that they're going to be providing you consists of core training on video marketing and ranking videos. Now, this core training is going to allow you to rank in Google with videos like a true video marketing expert. You're going to get core training on offering services, closing clients, and making money. This is the real deal. It comes with scripts and absolutely everything, guys. Okay, you're going to get core training on using the video keyword ranker, the video marketing blitz full package to hunt down keywords for promoting affiliate offers, Amazon, ClickBank, video launch jacking, and so much more. In fact, I've got a bunch of videos that I put out there showing you exactly how all you have to do is work with your keyword research first, and then you use our system, and you can use it for absolutely any way you want. It's exactly the same way as you'd be performing keyword research. As long as you're doing your initial step right, then the software does everything else for you. And there's so much more as well, guys. We even get you accepted to CPA networks to get you started straight away. So if you don't even have access to CPA networks, then our coach David is super big with CPA, and he's going to show you exactly, and he's going to get you approved to a network as well. You also get ongoing coaching, case studies, and access to a Facebook mastermind group. Now, the access to a Facebook mastermind group is strictly for buyers only. You get to hang out and learn from like-minded individuals who will be leveraging the video keyword ranker and its system to bank even more. It'll give you, it will give everyone the chance to learn from each other, and the group is moderated by myself and our superstar coach David, who I'm going to be introducing you to in a moment, and we'll be sharing golden nuggets that you won't hear elsewhere. And our aim for this group is totally simple, guys, and that is to make it the best video marketing group on the planet. If it hasn't come to that yet, then we're not going to stop until we get there. You also get access to a private forum, and this is a forum for members only. You gain access to case studies. Now, these are actual case studies that the original core group of beta testers ran so that you can learn from and leverage for your own success. Now, these will be uploaded roughly twice a month, and you also get ongoing coaching. You get to attend monthly coaching calls with our video marketing expert, who will be sharing real-world strategies for monetizing video keyword ranker and the video marketing blitz group. So anyway, I want to introduce you to our coach, and his name is David Whitegold, or his name is David Edwards, but he's got a middle name Whitegold, which I'll let him explain that to you anyway. So anyway, when we were looking for beta testers for our actual system, then we knew that we had to have it tested by experts, because we were building something so sophisticated and so complete that we wanted experts to use it, and we had to get it tested by experts. So our coach that I'm about to introduce you to in a moment was actually in the video keyword ranker beta testing group, and he brought so much to the table, and I instantly saw the value, and I knew that I had to cut a deal with him for our members. So he was already a video marketing expert. He already provided services to clients. He's very big in CPA and affiliate marketing, and I personally learned loads from him myself. So we had to cut a deal with him. So we put our video keyword ranker package with the coaching and the Facebook mastermind group and came up with the video marketing blitz package, and it's actually become so much more. So I want to introduce you to David. David, if you can take it away and just introduce yourself, show users around, whatever you want to do, and I'm going to put myself on mute, and then you can pass it back to me when you're ready.
Okie dokie. Well, to take it away, that's a good one. I think we have to do this screen share thing, and I'm going to share my entire screen and share it up. I'm hoping it'll come up for everybody. There we go. We should be here now. Oh, what's happened here?
We get the never-ending loop there, but we're seeing your screen.
Yeah, but
you are seeing my screen. Okay, so if I flip across, can everybody see this? We're into the members area here. Everybody see this part of the screen?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, excellent. All right. So as Abbs said, thank you very much, Abbs, for introducing me. A little bit about me. I'm 53 years old. been ranking on websites, well, before Google was born, let's put it that way. Had bricks and mortar businesses, have worked them for some, national companies, some international companies, and for the last few years, been totally doing online marketing and fairly successful with it as well. So anyway, I don't want to bore everybody with my details. We'll get straight on to what we've got in the back end. Okay, that in addition to all the software and everything else that Abbs has showed you tonight. So here we are. This is the members area, and as you can see, straight away, lots of training and tutorials, recommendations for you, etc., etc. Okay, and we've got other core training videos. Okay, even for the newbies out there, how to create your YouTube channels, branding your channels, keyword research, you name it, we've got it in there already. Okay, lots and lots more on video creation. Okay, this is actually using a couple of free tools, Windows Movie Maker and WeVideo. I'm also just about getting into showing people how to use Camtasia to make their videos up. Okay. And we've even got core training in the back here. If you want to, how to find your clients, how to approach them, what types of packages you can offer them. Okay, we've got a couple of CPA marketing, part 1 and part 2 for affiliate offers, and this is just scratching the surface. Believe you me, this members area, this will give you all the basics and everything else, and there's also a bonus tab. I'm not going to open that because otherwise you'll all see my account details, but there are bonuses in the back as well about the software that Abbs has already explained to you on the presentation. On top of this, I'm hoping, again, if someone can confirm, I'm just flipping across to the Facebook group. Everybody see this?
We're good.
Excellent. Okay, so we're in the Facebook group, quite a few members in here. It's quite active. Right at the top of the group, okay, we tell you exactly, the absolute best practice on how to set your accounts up, how to make them totally safe, etc., etc., etc. It's all in one big playlist that we've got here. Okay, and the questions just go on, and we're still adding stuff. I mean, I just saw one in a second ago. This one here was Abbs. What do you think of this, guys? And well, we could probably share this link with somebody. If I copy it and pop back into the mastermind group, I can actually share this with everybody so you can go along. This is actually going to happen pretty soon. I'm hoping you can all pick that up and go and have a look. That's something that's going to be added to the Video Marketing Blitz as well. And on top of that, we've got the forums, and in here we've got our latest announcements. Okay, people have been asking a lot about VPSs lately, so there's other stuff in here as well. Loads and loads of tutorials from both Abbs, both Abbs and myself. This is mostly Abbs' side of things. I actually hang out a little bit more in the case studies, okay, and the actual training. And we even have additional things in here, other case studies, some of it for CPA, some of it for actually building a money site. Some of our members have never built one ever, okay. We've also got a lot of email swipes if you want to contact your clients directly, and little strategies on how to include other things. I'm very much into the little memory sticks. Okay, I put a lot of information on the memory stick, send it off to a client, and my percentage rate on that is very, very high. And I mean, the conversion on it is super high. When I get a chance to do it, I do it, but conversion so far, I'm up around 95% conversion rate on those little memory sticks. Okay, so it's just another little strategy for you. I'm not going to, again, I don't want to hold everybody up because I know it's been a very long webinar. Just come along, jump into the forum, You'll find so much information in here. It's unbelievable. Okay. Now, a little bit of an addition to what Abbs was saying regarding the rankings holding. Okay, so I've just done a few just right here. Okay, this is for Rent-A-Harley in Arkansas, or Rent-A-Harley, Arkansas. Okay, this is pure Google, page 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm number 5 for Google for Rent-A-Harley in Arkansas. In fact, Arkansas, I pretty much own Arkansas for renting any kind of Harley in any of the locations. So what I'll show you is, okay, so that particular video is there at 5. If we go into the videos themselves, here we go. Mine. The playlist is 3. Mine. Okay, can you see how I'm starting to overtake? Oh, here we go. Tampa Harley Group actually beat me out. So I've got the top 8 positions in YouTube as well. Okay, that's for one particular one. And as you can see, this was actually loaded on the 22nd of March. Okay, I haven't built any backlinks to it. And for you semantic mastery guys, I haven't even put any kind of IFTT network to it either. Haven't touched it. It's doing beautifully, you know, months and months there now. Quite happy, making money. Okay, this is another actual client of mine. This is for a local client. This is for a chiropractic adjustment in Taunton, which is about 40 miles or so away from me. Okay, and again, we still hit the front page with the video. Okay, but we find that what these videos do is, you know, we've got about 100 videos for this client. And what we find that happens is that the videos actually start to support the main site. And as you can see, his site is quite happy sitting on number 1, and again on number 2 also. Okay, so that's a little bit of a side benefit that you can think of. You know, how these videos, when they're pumping back to your site, and then if you build, you know, things such as the IFTT networks on top of that, you can really seriously do some damage. Okay, another one very quickly, CPA. This is actually an offer called Max Synapse, and this is Max Synapse pills to help memory. Okay, again, we're still ranking. We're quite happy here at number 3 with the video. Okay, but what we find on top of that is, again, it starts to support the main site. So I'm actually sitting at number 1 here. Okay, for the main site, and if we put something in like Max Synapse Nootropic, I suppose I'm pretty much up there. Well, actually, that's another one of our videos. We're for the Nootropic one, we're there at number 4, and we haven't done a single link back to this site, not one. Okay, we haven't used any kind of PBNs or anything like that. It's all done with YouTube. Okay, and again, Abbs showed you a little bit of proof that we are making money, so I quickly took a screenshot, and this is in my paint thing, so you can see this is actually with Max Bounty. This is the one that he was talking about earlier. We're still doing pretty well this month. We've done about $1,680 from that one product. Okay, as you can see, I've cut a lot of other stuff out. Okay, we're still doing very well. It's done $1,600, one product, 1 month. Thank you very much. Okay, we've got obviously more products underneath here, and we also have about, I don't know, 20, I've lost count, 20, 22 kind of CPA networks that we're actually involved in. And again, as Abbs rightly said, I'm going to try and pop back here. As Abbs rightly said, if you've never done CPA before and you need to get started, we've actually got one of our networks who actually absolutely loves us to bits, and you've just got to drop me a message and we will get you approved within minutes. We've literally had things happen within 2 minutes. You get approved to the CPA network, and away you go. You can start doing, you know, promoting lots and lots of different kind of products. So I'm going to leave it there, and if Abbs would like to take this back away from me, I'd be quite happy to do that. And guys, we're here to, or I'm here, and Abbs is here. All we want to do is see you succeed. We're hoping to see you inside Video Marketing Blitz. See you all again soon. Go ahead, Abbs.
Yeah, fantastic. Thank you very much, David. I just want to confirm as well, David isn't very used to Hangouts as well. So Hangouts is very new for me and David alike. And I am aware that David normally logs into his CPA accounts as well. So maybe something because of Hangouts, that's why you didn't log into your account. That's not a problem whatsoever. But if
I'll tell you the truth. Let everybody hear. I'll tell you the truth, Abbs. We've done a few webinars now, as you well know. Okay, and I also do the private webinars. And some of my accounts have been seriously knocked because I share too much.
Yeah.
So this one I've kind of held back a little bit.
Yep.
Okay.
I totally agree with that, David. But also, guys, I'm working on a case study right now with 2 different monetization methods using Video Marketing Blitz. And again, I'll be holding a private webinar with anybody that ends up picking it up in about 2 weeks. So.
Right, Abbs, you've just got to click on the screen share thing and take it away from you.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Entire screen and share, and let me know if my screen is coming through, please, and then I can go ahead.
Yeah, looks like it is.
Yeah. Okay. Brilliant. So I'm going back over to the presentation.
There you go.
Okay. So I'm on a screen and on a slide that says VMB exclusive offer broken down. Can you see that, David or Bradley?
Sorry. Yeah. Absolutely. You're perfectly okay.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, fantastic. So that's David. That's our coach. That's exactly who you're going to be learning from. And I promise you guys, here's the real deal. So anyway, here's exactly what you get with our package. I'm going to fly through it and quickly break down exactly what's consisted with today's offer. So you're going to get the video keyword ranker. It works with unlimited YouTube accounts and channels. There's only one version and you get unrestricted access. It lets you filter through hundreds and thousands of keywords, fully automated, and it's a value of $97 a month. Now, guys, you're not going to be paying anywhere near this. I'm just putting it down and breaking down the actual value of these tools. Now, this is only the one tool that's valued at $97 a month. You also get access to the YouTube management software suite. Now, this also works with unlimited YouTube accounts and channels. There's only one version and you get unrestricted access, and it allows you to upload videos with thumbnails, geo-tag videos, work with playlists, create playlists, optimize videos even further, and so much more. And this is valued at $97 a month as well. You also get access to the YouTube live events software. At the moment, it's integrated with the management suite, but you're going to get a separate one available to you as well. And this works with unlimited YouTube accounts and channels, and it allows you to schedule events, stream to events, track events, and it actually allows you to multi-stream to events all at the same time. And the value of this also is $97 a month. You also get access to the Tube Engager. This also works with unlimited accounts and allows you to boost engagement for any YouTube video and channel. It allows you to get likes, views, comments, and subscribers, and allows you to boost the authority for your videos and channels. And this is also valued at $97 a month as well. You also get access to the thumbnail generation software and 2x keyword research software tools. These are going to allow you to generate hundreds and even thousands of keywords and thumbnails for your campaigns. Now, this is actually a value of $127, a one-off fee. You also get monthly coaching, as David just mentioned as well. You get access to case studies, you get access to a Facebook mastermind group, and you also get access to a private forum. You get to hang out with like-minded users. You get to learn even more from our superstar coach David, and you get to learn even new techniques. This coaching alone is also valued at $97 a month. And you also get access to core training modules. This allows you, or these allow you, to learn how to rank like a true marketing expert, learn how to sell services to clients, and even make more money as an affiliate. And this is a one-off fee value of $97. So that's a grand total of $485 per month and a one-off fee of $224. You're not going to pay anywhere near that though, guys. Okay, and there's still so much more to come, as I promised you already. You're going to get access to video private blog networks. There's still to come, guys. We're still going to have to work on these though. You get access to local directory listings. These are still to come. We still need to work on them. You also get access to a YouTube analytics software. It still needs to come, still still needs to be worked on as well, and so much more. In fact, let me just mention to you guys that when we opened this up 4 months or 5 months ago, we only had one tool. Now we've got a suite of tools, and when I tell you that these are still to come, then I promise you guys we're going to try our best to get these in with the system as well. So it's a fully fledged video marketing package that's only going to get even bigger and even better with time, and we've actually put together an exclusive bonus for you as well. Now, the bonus that we put together for you is our product called SociVids. You're going to get access to SociVids Expert, and you'll get access to SociVids Black Label Enterprise. You can actually go and check out these products if you like, guys. SociVids.com. They're currently selling. The SociVids Expert package is valued at $67 a month, and the Black Label Enterprise package, which is an OTO, which is an upsell to the Expert package, is valued at $97. And this is actually valued a total value of $164. With this, you can create, optimize, publish, share, and rank videos. You can share them on social media sites, and so much more as well. And you get access to this as well when you get hold of this package. Oops. Okay, so you've already got the link towards the bottom, guys, you can see it already. I'm going to break down the offer first, and then you can go over here because I want to show you exactly how the page looks as well and what you need to focus on. So you've got the Video Keyword Ranker, $97 a month value, YouTube Management Software Suite, $97 a month value, YouTube Live Event Software, $97 a month value, Tube Engager Software, $97 a month value, the Thumbnail Generation Tool, and the 2x Keyword Research Software. You've got the monthly coaching, case studies, Facebook Mastermind, and access to the forum. You've got the core training modules where you get to learn how to rank like a true marketing expert and how to sell services to clients and make even more money as an affiliate. You get access to the bonus, which is SociVids Expert and the Black Label Enterprise version, and that's a total value of $485 a month and $388 a one-time fee. You're going to be able to get this today, guys, for nowhere near that. You're not going to even pay $147 a month, not even $127 a month, not even $97 a month, not even $67 a month. But you can get it today for $57 per month or $497 annually. Now, obviously, if you buy the annual version, then you get almost 4 months free. And you can pick this up, guys, by going over to this link here, semanticmastery.com/video marketing blitz. So it's video-marketing-blitz. Now, let me just show you exactly what you can expect when you go over to this URL. Now, we're actually selling this service through Deal Guardian. Now, with Deal Guardian, they wanted to know exactly how we're selling it. So they wanted us to like make a sales page. So you can actually ignore all this, guys, because it's basically a repeat of what you've seen in today's webinar. But what you can do is you can scroll down, and you can scroll down to this section here. So here's a breakdown of what's included with the Video Marketing Blitz system. You'll get to see the Video Keyword Ranker, you'll get to see the Tube Management Software Suite, the Tube Engager, you'll get to see all the extra bonus tools and everything in here, all noted for you as well. And then you can pick whatever version is most suited for you, the monthly version or the annual version. Now, of course, the annual version is going to be the better price and the better saving for you, but some of you might want to come on board, see how it's going, and then later decide to upgrade, in which case it's going to be totally fine as well. However, let me just make some notes and let me answer a few frequently asked questions. So first of all, here's the URL, guys, semanticmastery.com video-marketing-blitz. Hopefully one of our guys can actually post it inside of the chat as well for you guys to see. Okay, so some frequently asked questions that I quickly want to cover, guys. Before we do this, shall we have a quick check on the tool and see how we're doing? So here we go, guys. Look at this. We've got 342 videos uploaded. It's been 1 hour and 36 minutes and 14 seconds. I'm going to go up and down here. And as you can see, so far, all successfully uploaded. Okay? We've only got that one here, failed to create post. Proxy failed, and that was things I like. Other than that, guys, everything has been perfect, and the software has been intelligent enough to go back over and start to post to that same account again. Let's have a look at the rankings. I'm going to filter these. We've got 180 videos already ranking in Google. Uploaded 343, 324 are ranking in YouTube. We know the number of competing sites in Google. When we download the report, we also know exactly if there's videos ranking in Google as well. So anyway, coming over to the frequently asked questions. Are there any more expenses? So first of all, guys, you are going to need proxies, unless you're only going to be working with 1 or 2 accounts, in which case you're not going to get the full potential out of what the software can do for you, because the software really allows you to make YouTube, you know, it really makes YouTube very easy. So you will need proxies, and for proxies, guys, we recommend working with Squid proxies. That's who we work with ourselves, and they work out to be about $1.30 for every one proxies for every one proxy. So they're about $13 or $10 or $11 or $12, something like that for about 10 proxies. And with each proxy, guys, you can use for one YouTube account, and one YouTube account, as you might know, you can have multiple channels in those accounts. So you could probably use one proxy for one YouTube account that has 3 channels. So you can be posting to 3 channels every one proxy. So 10 proxies could be good for 30 channels. Okay, you're going to need YouTube accounts, and the YouTube accounts that we recommend, they sell for about $11 for 10 double verified accounts using your own proxies. So the user will go ahead and they'll create the accounts using your own proxies. Now I know Bradley actually ordered some ordered some accounts a couple of days ago from our provider, and those accounts turned out to be bad. I had to intervene to help Bradley out to get those accounts replaced. However, the good thing is all of our users so far have all had a positive experience with this vendor. It's a personal vendor where I approach them privately, and we managed to teach them exactly how to create the accounts, and they create the API keys and everything for you. But if you do have any issues within 72 hours and you do get any issues from the vendor, then you can actually contact me personally, and I'll be more than happy to intervene. But I must say that they have been very, very good so far, and all of our users, the majority of our users that I've heard say anything about them have said very positive things about them as well. But it has been, unfortunately, Bradley had a bad experience with them. But yeah, you know what, I'm happy to intervene anytime. But yeah, this is how much they cost. They cost about $11 for 10 double verified accounts. If you want your accounts to be live, available to live stream, then you can actually pay, I think, $17.50, and he'll have the accounts fully done for you so that you can live stream to them as well. And you're going to need access to capture solving software as well, unless you want to do all the capture solving manually, in which case we don't recommend. But yeah, you're going to need access to capture solving as well. And it's a Windows application. We have users working with this on Amazon EC2 CloudFront, so like their VPS. You can have Windows VPSs that will work with this. You can work with it on your own computer as well, but it is a Windows application. If you want to work with it on a Mac, then you will need something like Parallels or VirtualBox or something that simulates Windows. So anyway, this is the application, guys. Everything out in front of you. You can see exactly what it does. You can see exactly how the system works. In fact, I can show you one more thing real quick, guys. When you get the software, you've got so many tools. You might be thinking, well, Abbs, how does the management and everything work? So see this tool here. It's called Video Marketing Blitz. Let me open it up and let me show you exactly what happens. This is actually like a license, or you can call this a command center. And this is going to list all the tools that you get with the Video Marketing Blitz application. And you can actually launch the tools by clicking on these applications just here. So this is a HQ Suggest. This is a keyword research software. Allows you to perform research on 9 major search engines, including YouTube, Google, Amazon, Bing, and all sorts. Allows you to choose your own locations, and you can perform how-to question searches and question-based searches and all sorts. You can work with keyword genetics, which is another software tool as well, which you get with this as well, another keyword research tool. And the cool thing about this tool is that you can launch any one of your tools that you want to work with. Oops. As you can see, I've already got it launched. But anyway, you can launch any one of your tools from this command center. So you've always got everything in one place for you, and it's really, really cool. So anyway, this is the application, and Bradley, I'm hoping that you can paste the link. Oh, okay, it's already been added into the chat area. That's brilliant.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, fantastic. So what I'm going to do, Bradley, is I've actually got a bonus that I promised everyone that I'm going to be revealing towards the end of the webinar. So I'm more than happy for you to pass it to anyone that watches the replay as well. So it's entirely up to you. If you want to cut it out, if you want to keep it in, it's entirely up to you.
Very good.
Okay, let me just show you exactly what it does. I'll show you a demonstration of this as well, and I'll show you exactly why it's going to be coming to handy for yourselves as well. So anyway, this is a bonus for all attendees or everyone that watches the replay as well. So it's called it's called a YouTube Authority Tagger, and it allows you to get tags, popular tags, very similar to the way that you saw me get tags when using the YouTube management software. So let me just show you this in action, and then I'll give you the download link as well. So here it is, the Authority Tagger, and I'm going to open this up. You don't need to opt in or anything like that, guys. I'll actually give you the direct link for this. So inside of here, you add your keywords. So for example, we'll do exactly the same. We'll type in SEO, and what happens? The software goes ahead, it goes and visits the top ranking videos, it gets all of the tags from them videos, and then it cross-references them to find out which ones are used the most, and then it shows you the most used for tags towards the top, which in return sort of show us the most popular tags and our most important tags towards the top as well. So you can get this free of charge, guys, just because you watch this webinar. And to get this, you can download it from this link here. Bradley, is it cool for me to post this inside of the chat?
Yes, of course.
Okay, so I'm posting this in the chat, and I've shared it with you. So all you have to do, guys, is download it. I'll actually click on this here. I don't know if you can see it, but when I click on it, towards the bottom, as you can see, it says YouTube Authority Tagger, and it's a zip file, and it's actually downloading.
Perfect. Yeah, we can see your screen.
Brilliant stuff. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is the presentation. It's all done. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer any questions. If you want to see around the software even more, I'm happy to show you around even more. If you want to see some live streaming examples or whatever you guys want to do, then I'm happy to go over any questions. So anyway, Bradley, if you have any questions or anything like that you see come through, then feel free to let me know.
Yeah, I think we're good, man. It doesn't look like we have a lot of questions, guys. If you have them, post them quickly because I've actually got to go. I'm running over now. You know, I usually have to leave at 5:30 on Thursday, so I can stick around for about 10 more minutes. If you have any questions, please post them on the events page. I did want to mention, Adam, were we throwing in any bonuses for buyers besides the case study and webinar that I'm doing?
I think we can certainly figure something out afterwards. I'll have to go back and look at the notes. I don't want to say anything, obviously, because it's being recorded, and I know everyone's going to hold me to it. So, but no, I think the case study, because that turned out to be such a big deal, and you're going to end up doing the webinar with that, which is a pretty ass bonus in my mind. But yeah. I was actually, before you started saying something, I was going to say, if you want to tell people again how you're going to set that up, or what we're going to do, and what exactly the case, you know.
Okay, yeah.
For the people today, and the people watching this will probably be interested too, because I think this is pretty awesome. If I was hopping in, I'd definitely want to see this. So,
well, the case study is me putting together two different types of campaigns. One is a CPA campaign, and the other campaign is for local, using Ring Partner, which is a pay-per-call platform. To monetize. And so I've been working on it for a couple days. I got slowed down a little bit because of the YouTube account issues, but I've still been managing to progress with the case study fairly well. And so I'd like to, you know, spend another week or so on it, and then I'll have it pretty wrapped up with monetization, showing results, showing income being produced from it. And that's what I really want to wait for. So within about 2 weeks, we're going to schedule a webinar for anybody that's been a buyer where I'll go through the case study, show real examples, the niches that I'm in, and all that kind of stuff. So there'll be nothing left hidden if you guys want to check that out. So that's the bonus we're going to throw in.
Awesome.
Okay. And one thing I wanted to mention was also, Abbs, the video keyword prospector will also uniqueify videos, correct?
Yeah, okay. Okay, so there's quite a few features that you get with a video keyword prospector. One of them is obviously in step 2, where you can add your own videos, or you can add videos that you've already had created. So you might have one video and you want to add multiple front images or end images, or you want to swap out the audio track or whatnot, then you can do that with this as well. But let me just show you one quick thing, Bradley, before I don't want to get carried away with this, but let me just show you what we've actually got in the making. So David might have already mentioned to you, or he actually left a link for a soundtrack, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Hopefully you played that. So that was this link here that David, he made a link just here. So anyway, when you play this, you'll be able to hear all sorts of voices in here. So what we've actually got a new tool in the making called the Video Manager, and I'll actually open this up so you can see it. And this Video Manager is created to replace the current tools, so like SocialVids. You get access to SocialVids, and it allows you to do so much more as well. So inside of here, you're going to be able to create mass thumbnails. You've already got a software that allows you to create thumbnails. Now the Video Manager, this is the area that I want to show you. This section here allows you to do all sorts. It comes with a video timeline. You can add videos, create videos from images as well. We're actually adding new features where you can add video clips in here as well. It allows you to manipulate videos as well. So I'll actually take you over to the video timeline. Video merger. What you can do here is you can add one video, and let's say, for example, if any of you guys bought into Video Ease, or you bought into any other software that creates outros and intros, then you can add hundreds of intros and outros, and you can tell the software to actually add those intros and outros to the one video as well. So there's so much you can do in regards to video manipulation. Yes, you can do. We've got a brand new voice text to speech section that we've got inside of here as well, which is really cool, and that's where we made the twinkle twinkle little star from as well. So yeah, you get absolutely everything you need with video video creation and everything as well. But when it comes to quality and your main quality video, then this might not make that quality video for you, and that's why David showed you around the members area, and he showed you how we also provide you with tutorials on how to use other free-to-use videos creation softwares to actually create your videos. So yeah, you're going to be getting this soon as well. You're going to have the features to create the kind of soundtracks that I created in that Twinkle Twinkle Little Star one as well. The very cool thing about it is that you can create pitches, you can control pitches, and you can control the speed, and you can control the voice, and so much more as well. So yeah, you do get absolutely everything. One other thing that I want to show you as well is the final step. If you can remember the 3-step guide that I showed you, which turned out to be a 4-step guide. So anyway, we're on 202 videos, guys. If we had a little bit more time, I would let this go, and I'm sure we'd be on like about 350 videos ranking by the end of today. But the final step is you download the keywords that rank. So let me just show, and let me just quickly go to checked on Google only, and I'll download the keywords that ranked, and I'll just open this file up for you, and I'll show you the final step of this. Okay, so ranking keywords. So all these keywords here are keywords that ranked inside of Google. Okay, so we've got 203 keywords that ranked in Google, and over here we've got another column that shows us the number of competing sites in Google, and we've got another column that shows us if there's any videos that are already ranking for this keyword as well. Now what we do then is we delete all the videos inside of the video keyword ranker, and then we're left with this CSV file with all the keywords that are ranking. We then go ahead and use the YouTube management suite. We upload quality videos, we add thumbnails, we geotag them as well, and then we go ahead and use the Tube Engager, and we start to build authority to them as well. And of course, with the thumbnails and everything, I'll actually show you that thumbnail software as well. Okay, I can show you that some other time because I don't know where it is at the moment. Okay, one final thing that I want to show you as well, before I forget, is post videos. In post videos, you can actually search images. Like I said, I've never actually searched for images before while I'm actually posting, but we'll have a quick go. Hopefully it'll work. Okay, it looks like it's working. So there you go, guys. You can actually pick these images. You can multi-select images. You can download all these images. You can select them all. You can go to new pages as well, and you can do all sorts. So you're never going to be left alone without having the facilities needed to go out hunting and to go out and make your videos unique and whatnot as well. As long as you've already got one video that you've already created that's made to convert, then you can actually go ahead and make it unique with these tools. But yeah, Bradley, I know you need to shoot, but yeah, this was the whole final process, all done for you.
Yeah, so what I wanted to say was this. I mean, guys, it's very, very powerful. The amount of tools that are all kind of combined into this one suite is awesome because it gives you so much power, and you can do everything within the Video Marketing Blitz interface. In other words, you don't have to Band-Aid or patch together or Frankenstein a bunch of different applications together. Very, very powerful. So I know many of you in our audience do a lot of video marketing stuff, and I don't know of another system or suite of tools that has as many functions that as Abbs does, and it's a solid product. And like I said, I've been playing with it for about 4 days now. I started over the weekend, and the last couple of days I played with it a few hours per day as well, and I'm generating those campaigns for the bonus webinar. And I'm really, really impressed with the speed with which I can test and then go from testing once I've identified those keywords to actually uploading the money videos, the ones that I'm planning on ranking for long term. And then and not having to do any additional SEO. And here's the way that I'm using it. I've got my test account set up that I use to poke the keywords, right, to determine or identify which keywords I can rank with little to no SEO work. And then I've got my money channels that are connected to the tool, and I have those with IFTTT networks around each of them. So right now I only have 10 testing channels and I have 5 money channels, and that's because I set all 15 of those up myself manually, and that was a pain in the ass. That's why I hired Abbs' guy to build 50 YouTube accounts with API credentials, which apparently something happened and they just weren't working, but Abbs is getting that resolved for me, so I appreciate that, Abbs. But my point is, I'm telling you, with just the 15 accounts I had, is the 10 test accounts and the 5 money accounts, I've already got, as you guys can see on the events page, that spreadsheet that I posted, that was just from a test this morning of 258 keywords, and 149 of them showed up to page 1, number 1 in Google. Guys with test accounts that had 0 IFTTT networks, no subscribers, the about page wasn't filled out, any of that. And so that's a niche that I have already been successful in using, like mass page builders, you know, like the ATM, Lead Gadget and the ATM, and those are $6 per call that comes in with that particular niche from Ring Partner. So I mean, and guys, that was just one state I tested. It was a very, very small state too. And so my point is I'm going to be building this campaign out over the next over the next 2 weeks, and trying to target all 50 states and just blanket the country with those, and probably generate some considerable revenue just from that one monetization method. So very, very powerful indeed. I highly encourage any of you. For the price, it's ridiculous. There's nothing out there like what Abbs has together for this price, and it's only going to go up from here, I'm sure. So, okay. Is there any questions specifically? Holly, I see that you have a question about keyword research, doing keyword research for keyword research. I can probably take care of that during the bonus webinar if you want. Just remind me during that time, and we can play around with the tool then, okay? And other than that, I don't think we have any other questions. Do we, Adam?
Nope, don't say anything.
Okay.
Hey Bradley, just real quick. Somebody was wondering, you know, about a free trial, and you know, $57 to play with.
Pay $57 and try it for a month.
I mean, come on, man.
You know. Yeah.
You throw that away probably on garbage. This is something that you're already showing results for, and that's from just playing, not really familiar with the software or anything else. I can't wait to get my hands on it and try to break something, man.
Brilliant.
You're too late. You're too late. I was breaking it back in early March.
Good.
We fixed all the breakages.
No, I don't mean the software. I mean Google.
Try to break Google.
Yeah.
I try to break them on a daily basis. That's my job.
It's easy to do. It's easy to do.
Well, guys, like I said, I appreciate you guys coming on and being here. And you guys know on the Mastermind, we typically don't bring people on to pitch anything. But the reason I did that with Abbs was because I know his products are solid, man. Every time he puts something out, I typically buy it anyways. For some reason, I wasn't on the beta tester for this, and I'm a bit offended.
Oh, sorry, man.
That's okay. I'm teasing, man. But definitely keep me in mind for the next beta round, because you know, I'm a big supporter of your products, anyways. And again, guys, I wholeheartedly endorse this product, so that's why we brought him on for Mastermind. That said, I also have scheduled for Monday at 2 p.m., guys, a makeup webinar for Q&A for Mastermind members to make up for today. So you guys make sure that you register for that, or just RSVP. It's already been posted in the community. Okay, and other than that, since we don't have any other questions, guys, I really do have to bounce, but I certainly appreciate Abbs and David being on here with us. And if you guys have any parting words.
No, thank you all so much, and thanks for having us as well, Bradley. And you know what, it's been an honor and it's been a pleasure to present today.
Yeah, great to finally meet you too, man. You know, after all these years. So
Definitely.
Absolutely, I'll just second what Ab said. You know, thanks for having us. I've hoped you enjoyed the long presentation, but as you can see, we've got so much to share, man. So anyway, thanks for having us, and we'll see you all again very soon.
thanks, guys. Appreciate
Awesome.
y'all being here.
Bye, guys.
Thanks so much.
Everyone. Bye.
Bye-bye.